All right. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good morning, wherever you have joined. I hope everyone is doing fantastic. First of all, let me know if my voice and audio is fine. I hope everyone is doing absolutely fantastic, right? How many of you are excited? Because I feel very excited for this webinar. I can see Sachin, Mishra, Nidhi. Let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know in the chat. I hope everyone is seeing the chat, right? Yes. My voice is fine. Everything is good. Audio is good. Yes or no? And how is my hairstyle? I think it looks good also, right? Isn't it? Yes. Najamuddin. Oh, very unique name, by the way. Huh? Narendra. Good, good, good. Hari, Vishal, Arun, Chaudhary. Good, good. Vikas, Rabia. Voice is clear. Sir, voice is clear. Video is clear. All good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I can see all of you, right? I hope you are all of you are excited. Okay. And so before we start, guys, there are a couple of rules we have to start. Yes or no? Rule number one. If you have any question, there is a question tab that you see, right? How many of you see a question tab? Give me yes in the chat quickly. Okay, give me yes in the chat. There is a question tab, Q&A tag, right? Whatever the question that you have, it can be related to, sir, what is the salary I will get? I have a career gap, but sir, I'm from a non-IT, sir, I'm a manual tester with this year experience, right? I want to switch, but what is the process I have to follow, right? All the questions that you have, keep asking on this group. Okay, I will be replying all the questions in the clear. Rule number one is clear. Give me one in the chat. Rule number one is clear, everyone. Yes. So rule number one is very simple. If you have any question that you would like to ask, right, you have to ask on the Q&A session. Okay, this is very, very important, right? This makes sense? Okay, good. Awesome. All right. And rule number two is you have to, so all the people who are right now joining, right? Rule number two is very simple, which is all of you have to interact. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? You have to interact very well today. Okay, give me yes in the chat and see. Very important thing is that you have to basically, right here, interaction is very, very important. This is between you and me, isn't it? Yes or no? This webinar will exactly, it will help you. I'm going to discuss about the exactly the strategy that you need to become an automation tester. The three set strategy that nobody is telling you right now in the market. And trust me, this strategy works. Okay, this strategy works, and we basically are going to help you on this part. Okay, Rama Lingesh is there, Sujit is there. Okay, Sujit is saying will. Awesome, awesome. Okay, good, good, good. Give me yes in the chat and let's be more interactive because this is between you and me, isn't it? Rachna, Sandeep, Murli, Pratap, Roshni, Shrikant, Bharat, Nihar, Koham. Okay, good, good. There are a lot of people who are keep joining. Okay, awesome. Bhushani saying, sir, let's interact very well. Hi guys, my name is Pramod, and in this webinar of 3 secret strategy how you can too become an automation tester within a span of 4 months that we are going to discuss in this webinar. Okay, and let's get started with the which location you have joined, guys. I have joined right now in New Delhi. My name is Pramod. I have 12 plus year as as dead manager. You can say an automation lead also. Okay, Tejas is from okay. Pratap is from Hyderabad. Good, good. Who is from Vadodara, New Delhi, Bengaluru, New Delhi, Rahul, Megha, Sakshi, Varsha, Halim. Oh, somebody's from Canada also, US. There are a lot of people from Canada and US, right? Isn't it amazing? Oh, somebody's from Noida, nearby only. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Ashwani. So rule number one, whoever just joined, right? Rule number one is, guys, please make sure if you have any question, you have to ask on Q&A tab. Second important rule number two is you have to interact. And the third rule is you have to tell me from which location you have joined, because the moment you interact, the more you will learn. This is the important concept, isn't it? Yes or no? Mayur is saying, why do, why do, okay, Vishal is from Bihar. Okay. Pradeep is AI testing is the end of testing. We will cover all the questions. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Lol, sorry. Okay. Mayur is saying lol, sorry. Somebody's from Burari. Okay. Good, good, good. Vizag is important. Vizag is most important thing, right? Yes. Awesome. So I think we have a lot of people who have joined. Somebody's from Mumbai. Okay. Good, good, good. Pradeep Madhumita. Madhumita is very unique name. Okay. Awesome. How many of you want to become an automation tester? Just type A in the chat. Okay. If you want to become an automation tester, I also. Okay. By the way, I'm an automation tester, but I just type A in the chat quickly. I can see a lot of A. Good, good, good. Shiva, Pradeep, Rahul, Piyush, Narendra, Jay, right? Awesome, 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 awesome. And first of all, let's do one exercise, okay? Let's do one exercise. Shall we do that one exercise? Yes. Let's do one quick exercise where we will do a survey, okay? Because this is very, very important, okay? Let's do that. All right. So I am going to share a survey link to you. Okay. Everyone with me? And you have to tell me, okay, very, very important. Okay. Guys, voice is fine. No, somebody saying voice is not fine. I hope so. It is fine, right? Yes. All good, right? Everything is good. Screen I will share. Okay. Screen I will share. Before that, let me share a very important link with you. Okay. All of you, before we start, this is a important link. Okay. Let me share it again 2 times. I want all of you to basically enter the details why you want to become an automation tester, and let's discuss on this part because this is going to be a very important exercise for you. Okay. Before we start, I want to know exactly the reason why you want to become and what is your expectation from the webinar. This is super, super important exercise. Let's do this first. Okay. Shall we do that? Yes. I hope everyone is ready. Right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so I have just marked this green. Okay, and please start filling the form. Okay, let me show you the results also. Okay, side by side. I hope everyone can see the tab, right? Yes or no? My screen is loaded. Yes. I hope everyone can see the tab, right? So here you can see results are coming. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so why you want to become an automation tester? Somebody is saying, sir, for growth, for better salary, it's my dream. Okay, for money, growth, time saving, good. Job ready to get a work from home. Okay, somebody wants to get a work from home. Okay, that is interesting thing. And what is the expectation, sir? What is the course fee? Okay, somebody job ready, tips for the job, want to learn, seeking knowledge, automation guidelines, good, show us the path. Sir, to provide the vision, guidance, get the job, to become a job ready, to learn the automation skill. Awesome. Keep filling this, guys. This is very, very important because we are going to discuss about the exact blueprint that you need to become an automation tester in this session. So what will be the agenda for this? Okay. Agenda will be why you should become an automation tester. First one we have to discuss, right? We will be discussing all these things, right? All of you are with me, right? Yes or no? Give me yes in the chat, guys. Voice is fine. Everything is good. Okay. Who is asking this question? Nagaraj, you are asking the question, right? Please ask on the Q&A tab. I will be replying. Okay. I will quickly reply. Okay. Fair enough. Everyone is with me, right? Rules are clear or not, guys? Rules are clear. Awesome. Good. All right. Okay. Awesome. Clear. All rules are clear. Okay. Okay. So in this webinar, we are going to discuss about why you should become an automation tester, manual versus automation testing. Okay. We are going to discuss that mindset of an automation tester, which is very, very important that you have to discuss how to basically create a mindset. What is a roadmap that you have to follow to become an automation tester? Projects, what are the projects I need to do for API testing for Selenium, and how important for a fresher, manual tester, or a non IT person with career gap or something to switch to automation. All these things we are going to discuss in this case. Okay. And we will be also discussing, which is very, very important thing, is myths about the automation testing that you have. And in the end, we will take the what we call Q&A. Okay. How many of you want Q&A sessions? Q&A in the end. Audio conversation with me. Give me I in the chat. Let's have an audio conversation in the end. Okay. So for 30-40 minutes, I will be discussing about the 3 secret strategy. And after that, and please make sure you prepare a note because this will help you to switch to automation. Okay. I'm pretty much sure if you follow this path, which is nobody is telling you, I'm 100% sure all of you who have joined right now can become an automation tester, even if you have a coding fear, if you have no clue what is an automation testing, which project you have to do, you are a manual tester with coding fear, how to switch, right? Pressure, how to switch to automation, all these things you are going to cover in this case. Okay, so all of you can follow the things that we have done. And the things that I'm going to discuss already last year, there are more than 2000 plus students have validated this idea. So what you are learning is very, very important. Please make sure that you make a notes and be ready. And one more thing, you have to interact. Okay. Is that fine? Is that fine with me? Give me fine in the chat if you are ready. If you're fine with it. Is that fine, right? Yes. Fine. Awesome. Good. Okay. So before we start, Let's do one exercise, shall we? I think all of us, tell me from which location you have joined, okay? If you have just joined, let me know from which location you have joined, right? If you are new to join, because I have already seen Pavitra, Bhargav, Nihar, Mihar, Amit, Hina, Sumit. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. Lot of people have joined, right? Awesome. Let's do one exercise before this, okay? Shall we? What exactly do you see when you see this picture, guys? Tell me. What exactly do you see in the picture? Let me test how much software tester actually you are, okay? How much software tester you are right now, okay? Bring your automation tester and see this image and give your answer. Take out a time, okay? Take out a time, because very, very important. This is very, very important question, okay? Somebody is saying, sir, rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Yesho is saying, sir, duck. Chitra, Saurabh, Bhagya, okay, Bhagya, Manikaran, Prashanta, Raghav, Murali, all of you have given the answer, right? How many of you are done? How many of you are done with the answer? Done, done, done. Rabbit or duck? Okay, rabbit or duck, right? Somebody is saying, okay, who's saying crocodile? Who's saying? Varsha Saini is saying, sir, it is crocodile. Do you see any crocodile? Anyone see crocodile? No, right? Rabbit has a ear, which is unusual. Okay. Sir, I see mouth of a duck. Okay, awesome. The answer is, let me tell you the answer. How many of you want to know? Give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat. How many of you want to know the answer? The answer is here. Pay attention. This is just to check your the what is called as observation. Okay, which is the answer is it contains rabbit, duck, as well as it contains grass. How many of you missed the grass? Say I in the chat. Say I in the chat, sir, I missed grass. Grass I have not mentioned. Yes or no? So this is exactly you need in your life. Yes or no? How many of you think that this is the keyword that all of you need? Isn't it? Yes. Give me yes or no in the chat. Yes or no? All of you right now who are attending the webinar who wants 3 secret strategy to become an automation tester, which basically can help you to become an automation tester. You need clarity. Yes or no? Agree with this point? And this is between you and me. Okay. One more thing. The more you interact with me, the more you will understand. Okay. All the people, Prabhu, Bhargavi, Rabya, Ram Prasad, Sahana, good that you are interacting. Okay. I can see a lot of people who are interacting with me. It means it's a good thing. Okay. Bhargavi is saying, sir, is this a recorded session? No. Okay. This is not a recorded session. I do live sessions, guys. Mostly, most of all my sessions are live, and this recording probably you will not able to find. Okay. So make sure you make what we call very, very important notes in this case. Okay. Fine. Is that fine? Awesome. Good. Okay. Recording is on because we have to keep, and it is just for future purpose. Sometimes we need, right? What are the mistakes that we have made in recording and all? Though that's why. That's why Nizamuddin. Is that make sense? Right? I have to also improve myself, right? Yes or no? Good. Okay. Awesome. So how many of you, let me give you the clarity. Okay. All of you want this kind of clarity. Pramod sir, what are the topics I need to learn? What is the roadmap I have to follow? What is the salary I can get? And to become an automation tester, how much time it will take? Is coding is required to become an automation tester? I have a coding fear. Can I do it or not? And what to do after learning the API? If you have if you have doubt number 1, type 1 in the chat. If you have 2, just type 2 in the chat. If you have 6 1, for example, I think most of you have, I have a coding fear. Can I do it or no? Just type 6 in the chat. Because what I'm telling you is when I have started, I have all the doubts. How many of you have all the doubts? Okay. I'm just telling you me. Okay. I was the person which has all these doubts. Yes, all the doubts. Mohan is saying, yes, sir, I have all the doubts. Bhageshwari is also saying, sir, it's all the doubt. Pranak has given the answer. Swati, good, 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 good. Awesome. So do you want answer for all of this? This 3 secret strategy will give you the answer in the end. Okay. And trust me, your time is very important, as well as my time is also, right? So make sure that whatever the 1 hour or 1 hour that we are taking, right, it is well basic, it is not get wasted, and it is well spent, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Give me yes in the chat if you think that this is what your expectation is, because I think most of you have given me the expectation, right? Correct guidance to cover everything, job details, get a job, guidance, right? Right? Guidance to become an automation tester, learn automation tester, grow as a full stack QA, right? All of you have some expectation, and I need to make sure that your expectations are well set, right? Yes, does that make sense? Give me yes in the chat. Awesome. Apart from this, I think I also have these kind of doubts, okay? Because as a fresher, can I become an automation tester? Give me F in the chat if you are a fresher. Guys, all the fresher, give me F in the chat. Vikas, Rabia, Jay, Monica, Rahul. Because when I have started, right, I also have this doubt. As a fresher, can I become an automation tester or not? This doubt, I also have it, okay? So this is what we are going to discuss. Or if you have this doubt, is it too late to become after X year into the manual testing, okay? I am into a manual testing, Pramod. Can I become an automation tester after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 7 year, 11 year, 10 year? If you have this doubt, give me M in the chat. All the manual testers, give me M in the chat. Pramod sir, can I become it? Because I have a coding fear. Coding fear, everything I will discuss. Okay, we will be discussing how I have removed my coding fear. Okay, how I have removed my coding fear and how I was able to switch from a non-IT background to an IT. Okay, I am from a non-IT background. Can I do it or not? If you are from non-IT, give me N in the chat. N. If you are from non-IT, because I am also from non-IT. Okay, let me give you N also. Okay, N also from my end also, because I was from electronics and communication background. Okay, understood? How many of you understood this point? Give me yes in the chat. Okay, good. So how to prepare for the RIM, where to apply, and how to connect with HR. I want all of you. I want all of you to go from fresher, non-IT, or a manual tester who is basically a sad face to an automation tester where you feel good. I hope everyone wants to become this, right? Give me yes in the chat. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Yes, give me yes in the chat. The more you interact, the more I will understand. Okay, you, because your expectation, I want to make sure that your expectations are cleared. Yes or no? Aman, Ajay, Ruchi, Turak, Kanchan, all the people who are interacted, I much love from my end, okay? Because you are interacting, I really feel good. Okay. Somebody is from that. Okay, Sarojini Datta. Oh, Sarojit Datta. Okay. Same caste, by the way. Awesome. So my perspective is this. Okay. My perspective is this, which is this is called as a concept. Okay. Please note down. Please note down. Please note down, guys. Please note down. This is a important concept which is called as circle of competence. What is this? This is actually invented by Alex Hormozy. Okay, what is this? This is actually the part which is a smaller part, which is what you know. Okay, all of you know. Okay, what is an automation testing? Okay, maximum people know how to get a high salary. All of you know. Okay, we have to watch the videos and we have to do and blah blah blah. Maximum things you know, right? And but there is a thick layer outside you which is telling you what you think you know, but you don't know. Which means what exactly I'm trying to say is pay attention. What very, very deep level concept it is. Okay. How many of you are paying attention? Give me P in the chat. Give me P in the chat. It's a very important concept. All of you basically have this knowledge. Suppose this is the smaller circle, which is the knowledge that you know, but there is a thick layer of the outside you which basically the think what you think you know but you don't know. This is what the clarity that I am going to give in this webinar. Understood? Which is, I'll tell you, you think you know the about the topics, you think you know about the projects, you think you know about the roadmap, you think about this, but those things are already available, but proper guidance and everything which are not basically has given to you, right? So I am going to give you all the clarity in this case, which is I'm not going to teach you what you already know. I am going to help you what you think you know, but you don't know. If you agree with this point, give me yes in the chat. Okay, everyone. Sultan is saying, sir, hello. Yes in the chat. Okay, good. So how many of you are ready? All of you already know what is an automation tester, how to become an automation tester. There are hundreds of videos on YouTube, right? Yes, Promoter. But nobody is telling you this thing because of those videos, you have created what you think you know, but you don't know about this. And this is the concept where Pramod will be helping you. How many of you understood this term till now? Give me you in the chat and let me discuss all these things today. Okay. Clear? Everyone clear with this point? Okay. So let me discuss. First of all, tell me, guys, who is an automation tester? How many of you people know this? Give me yes in the chat. Who is an automation tester? If you know who is an automation tester, just type yes in the chat. Okay. If you don't know, give me no in the chat. No in the chat. Okay, Pramod sir, I have no idea who is an automation tester. Okay. There are many people who don't know. Okay. So we will cover this question also. Okay. Who is an automation tester? So let me explain you in a very simple manner. How many of you are ready? Give me R in the chat. Then you have to type a keyword, which is R. Okay. R is for ready, isn't it? Okay. So let me discuss. Okay. Let's take a simple example, guys. Let's take a simple example. Okay. Suppose we have to test a app.vw.com. Okay. Hypothetical situation. This is a notes, by the way, I'm creating, and I will be sharing these notes with you. App.vw.com I have to share, where you need to enter email, password. Okay. And then you have to click on submit button. And this will give you a error if you enter wrong username and password. Okay. Whenever you enter wrong username and password, you will get an error. This is what you have to verify manually. Okay. Everyone is with me? Give me yes in the chat if you are with me. If you are with me, give me yes in the chat. Yes. Okay, good. So this is hypothetical example. If I basically enter admin, okay. If I hypothetically enter admin in this case, and here I will enter admin also. Okay. And click on the sign in button. Okay. And I have to verify that, okay, this username password is not working. Okay. How many of you are clear with the scenario? Give me C1 in the chat. Promote C1. C1. Scenario is clear. Scenario is clear where we have to enter a username, enter a password, right? And then click on the sign in button and verify if my username and password is working fine. How many of you are clear? Give me clear in the chat. Give me C1 in the chat. C1. Scenario is clear. Okay. Now tell me, guys, tell me, suppose if I give you one username, if I give you one username and password, okay, one username and password, what do you think, guys? How much time it will take? How much time it will take to test this? Tell me, guys. How much time you will take? Give me any rough idea. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Manoj is saying, sir, 2 minutes. Less than 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes, 15 seconds. Okay, somebody is saying 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds. How? Okay, all of you, let's agree. Let's suppose we will say 2 minutes. Okay. Now suppose if I give you 10 username and password, then your QA lead has given you, then what is the time you will take? 10 minutes. Okay, somebody is saying, sir, 20 minutes now. Probably 18 minutes, because now you will be fast. Okay, now you tell me, if I basically give you 10,000 username and password, can you do it in 45 minutes? What do you think, guys? Can you do it in 45 minutes? Is it possible? Is it possible to do that? No, right? What you will do then in this case? What exactly you will do? Then what you will do is you will write a code to test this, right? Yes or no? To test this. Exactly. You will write a code to test this, right? Exactly like this. Exactly the code like this, which I'm not explaining right now, but exactly the code you will enter. For example, admin email ID, admin password, and then we will click and verify. You will write a code something like this, right? Yes or no? Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point, right? So what do you think? What do you think, guys? So if I ask you this question, all the companies which are growing, they will go towards automation testing after some time. Yes or no? After some time, but whenever a new company opens up, for some starters, they will basically use something called as, they will use manual testers. Okay. When they have 100 test cases, or let's suppose 1,000 test cases, right? They will go with manual testers, right? Yes or no? But when the test cases are like 10,000, they will hire more manual testers or automation testers. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Which one they will hire? Automation tester or manual testers? Automation tester, automation 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, right? Type in the chat, guys. Type in the chat. 80. That's why. That's exactly which is happening in the market right now, right? Yes or no? How many of you think this is exactly which is happening? So this is exactly which I have told you, right? From 2020, this is the trend where manual testing jobs are going down. If you are a manual tester, you know this concept. Yes or no? Yes or no? And from after 2020, automation jobs are, this is where after this, automation jobs are increasing in this case. Yes or no? Give me yes in the chat if you think that. Yes or no? How many of you manual tester? Only manual tester. Let me know. Do you think this is clear? I am speaking the truth or not? This is a webinar where I will be speaking truth or not. Yes or no? True? And I was just discussing with the HRs also, okay, where I asked them, are you guys hiring any manual tester? They said no. We are copy pasting the job description of automation testers. We need, even though you are going to do manual testing in the company, still we want somebody who can code and write the automation. Yes or no? So automation is the need of the hour. What do you think, guys? Is it this is a true statement? Automation tester is the need of the hour, right? Yes or no? But the question is what else automation testers do? Okay. And question is, promoter, what is the salary I will get when I become an automation tester? What are the how is the job market? And what are these three secrets which can help us to become automation tester? Please let us know. Those things now we are going to cover, and how you have done it. How many of you want to know this? How you are able to how you are able to switch from manual to automation? Give me yes in the chat if you want this. How I was able to switch, my story also. How many of you want to know? And how I have removed the coding fear, guys. Coding fear, because I am from a known IT background. How I was able to switch. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit also. I hope this is now properly visible, right? How I was able to switch from known IT to IT career of automation. This is exactly now I'm going to discuss in this case. Everyone is clear? Give me clear in the chat if you are clear with this point. Okay, this is exactly we are going to discuss. Fair enough? Amazing, amazing. Okay, so this is exactly now we will be discussing. Okay, so who is a manual tester? Manual tester is something where developer write a code and we will test the application, whereas automation tester will basically create frameworks and they will write some code to do that. Everyone is clear with this point, right? So this is the function. This is exactly what the automation testers do. They write code, they will help the collaboration, talk to developer, and do multiple things in this case, right? Then the question is why you should become an automation tester. Guys, tell me why you should become an automation tester. Give me your reason. I'll tell you my reason also. My reason was this: money. Okay. Manoj is saying to save time. Okay. Sir, for debugging. Why you want to become an automation tester? Manisha is saying money, improve knowledge, upgrade myself, money, 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 to earn more, save job security, to learn more secure. Automation is the need of the hour, of course. Upgrade my career, to career growth. Okay, all these questions, that all these things that you have already filled in your Google form also, right? Yes or no? Good. Awesome. So question is, okay, why you should become an auto? Let me tell you the reason which how I was able to do it. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, so guys, I joined when I have started, right, around 2012. How many of you want to know? Okay, how I have started to become an automation tester? What was the trigger point? How many of you want to know? Give me yes in the chat. Okay, if all of you will say yes, then I will tell you the story. Else I will not tell you. Okay. All of you want to know? Okay, good. Okay. So guys, I was a manual tester. Okay. I joined a Accenture as a fresher. I was a manual tester. Okay. And I have never touched coding in my life. Okay. I have no idea what is a coding and Java. I was from an electronics and communication background. Anyone here from electronics and communication? Give me yes in the chat. Anyone here from electronics and communication? Yes. Okay. So I was from a electronics and communication background. Okay. And what happened was, so I was, when I was a manual tester, no. So let me discuss. Okay. So I was getting 2.96 LPA, lakhs per annum in INR. Guys, do you think it's a decent salary? I was working as I'm from a EC background, by the way, and I was getting in the Accenture. Okay. In the Accenture, I was getting this as a manual tester. Do you think it's a decent salary? How many of you think that? Which year, sir? It is to around 2011 also. Around 2011 in this case. Do you think it's a decent salary? No, right? No. It is bad. Okay. Because the same, mm, there was my friend. Okay. There was my friend who was getting 5.5 LPA as an automation tester. By the way, I'm discussing in INR, guys. INR, okay? Okay, in this, okay, in another company, in other company, okay, in other company. Then which one is, what do you think, guys? And I got very jealous. Okay, let me tell you, I got very jealous in this phase. Okay, what do you think? You will also get jealous, right? Yes or no? How many of you will get jealous? Give me yes in the chat. Yes. And I asked him, okay, what exactly you are doing, which I am not doing. Okay. I was bored with my job because manual testing, there is a repetitive task you have to do, right? Agree with this point, type R in the chat if you think repetitive task is there. All the manual tester, this is a question from all the manual testers. Okay? Yes. And I was bored. I didn't think that, okay, I will have much career. Okay. There was no new learning in this case and other things and all, right? Many things were there. Okay. Then I asked him. Then this guy told me these three secret, which I'm going to discuss in this webinar. Is that fine? Give me yes in the chat if you want to know these three secrets. Those three secrets, now I'm going to tell you, those are the only way. This is the only way to become an automation tester. Trust me, nobody is telling you over the online. Okay. You will not find these kind of details. Trust me on this. Okay. Understood? How many of you understood this point? Give me yes in the chat. And let me discuss the three secret strategy now, which will 100% for sure will work for you in this case. Okay. Understood this point? Those three secrets now I'm going to discuss with this. Fair enough? Excited? How many of you feel excited now? Okay. I hope Nishi is saying, sir, I'm too excited. Okay, good. Exactly, now we will be discussing. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, let's discuss about the jobs in automation. Of course, because maximum people are moving towards the automation. You can find, just search for automation tester jobs in India. There are many more jobs every year. More and more jobs are getting increased. By the way, guys, if you don't know, right now job market is getting improved. How many of you think that? I think so, because I am just checking out the market. It is little bit, okay, little bit. It is now it is normal. What do you think? It is improved little bit. Okay, not I'm saying properly, we are still in recession, but there are people who have decent experience. They are getting calls. Okay, they are getting calls because I am in touch with a lot of students and they are telling me that, okay, Pramod sir, now we have started getting calls. At least few of them are getting. Recession is still going on, but few of them are getting improved. Okay, but most of it is little normal in this case. Okay, and anyways, because I told you, right, my reason was salary, right? I hope, and maximum people here also in the webinar are saying that, sir, yes, salary is the exactly the reason. Not only the salary. Okay, I'll tell you the three major reasons why you should become an automation tester. Okay, how many of you want to listen? Okay, your reason will be either salary. Okay, either you want to go towards the decent job, right? You want to secure your job. Okay, or you are someone from a known IT and you think by learning automation I can move to a software testing career, right? Yes or no? If this is you, type yes in the chat. Okay, if you think that, if your reason fall in between this. Okay, and one more thing is, Pramod sir, I want to add one skill, more skill as a manual tester. I think it is a time now to move towards automation. Okay, if you think this is the time. Okay, you will fall under this. You will fall under this. Either it will be salary, decent job, or you want to secure a job, known IT to automation software testing, or you want to add skills as an automation tester. Yes, all of you have this. Top three is my goal. Okay, Atish is saying, sir, this is first three are goal. Last one. Okay, job security, decent job. Okay, good. All of you have these reasons, right? Yes. Okay, good. So let's get started with the important thing, right? Now, before we start, let's discuss about the salary of an automation tester. Guys, what do you think? If you target, okay, tell me, guys, tell me, if you target a good product based company, if you target a good product based company, I'm not talking about Accenture, TCS, or Cognizant, a good product based company, what is the salary you will get? Tell me. What do you think, guys? What will be the salary you will get? What do you think? Good product based company. 5, 6, 12 to for 20. Okay. Let me give you the average salary. The average salary in Bangalore area is 6.42. As I think it is a decent salary to start with. Yes, or no? Yes or no, guys? As a fresher, if you join to become an automation tester, what do you think, guys? It's a decent salary, yes or no? Yes, decent salary. Yes, I think so, right? Yes. Here you need to target good product based companies. But the question is, good question is, Pramod sir, how do we find it, right? How many of you have this problem? And let me solve this problem with you. How many of you have this problem? Give me yes in the chat. So bonus number 1 is coming. Okay, guys, we will be discussing about 5 bonuses, and bonus number 1 is coming to you. Okay, this is the first bonus. How many of you are ready? Give me yes in the chat. So this problem I have already solved for you, which is you have to basically, right? I have created a list of good companies list. Okay, good company list, updated. Okay, by the way, it's an updated version, and this version keeps on updating, where I have basically added all the important companies are which are basically hiring. These are good product based company. Not only that, I have also added good remote based companies also, because there are mothers, there are people, there are husbands who cannot join practically, or you can say work from office they can't do. Okay, right? But you can join it the remote companies. Yes or no? How many of you think that? Okay, so these are the company list that I have already done, right? But how many of you want this list? Give me yes in the chat. If you give me yes right now, I will be sharing this with you after this session. Is that fine? Is that fine with me? Right, I hope so. And how many of you loving the webinar now? Tell me yes. Yes or no? This is the kind of value which will be coming in this case. How many of you are loving it? Yes. I hope your time is not getting wasted, right? Yes. Okay. So this is the first problem that I have already shared. By the way, I generally keep on adding the new companies. Okay. So there are new companies which are company. So what I recommend you is I will share the link with you. What you need to do is bookmark this link. Okay. Save this link and you can refresh this link whenever. Okay. Nishi is saying, sir, interesting. Excited to learn so many things. Awesome. Also, Sandeep is saying, sir, loving it easily. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So I will be sharing this list with you. So problem number 1 is fixed. We have to target. What is the learning right now? What is the learning right now, guys? Tell me in the chat. This is for only for India? No, it is outside also. What is the learning that you have? We have to target good product based company. Target good product based company. Because if you don't know, I was into a browser stack and their fresher salary is 11 lakh rupees to start with. Guys, by the way, I was a QA lead there. Okay, I have joined after 5 years. So what do you think, guys? This is a decent salary. Arjun is saying, sir, oh my God. Raja Lakshmi saying, sir, we have to target good product based company. How many of you think amazing? Type your reaction. What do you think, guys? This is amazing salary, right? Yes or no? Deep is saying, seriously? Yes, this is a serious. By the way, right now I'm working in Techion and we have, as a fresher, if you join, we have 8.5 LPA to 16.5 LPA as a fresher, which is more decent, isn't it? Yes or no? What do you think, guys? So can we join also BrowserStack? Yes. If I give you a referral, yes, you can. Okay. Okay. So how many of you are getting more and more excitement for this? Yes, yes or no? So salary wise, as an automation tester is a amazing thing, isn't it? Yes or no? So what exactly did we learn till now? What exactly did we learn? That yes, automation tester is something that we need to move towards, because salary wise, it is an awesome, right? And the most another important thing is we have to target for good product based companies. Okay. Guys, let me tell you, my first company was Accenture. After that, I never touched service-based company because they always pay less. How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. Sorry. Give me yes in the chat. If you agree with this point, they always pay less. Okay. But we can join the service-based company if we don't have any offer. If we don't have any offer. It makes sense? Okay. Shainath is saying, Shainath, what happened to you? Okay. Shainath is little confused. Okay. Cool. Okay. Is this fine? Does this make sense to you? Yes or no, guys? Does this make sense? So we have to target good product-based company. This is the most important thing. Okay. Everyone is clear? Nishi is saying, sir, how we can get in touch with you? Okay, I'll tell you. I'll tell you how to basically have a WhatsApp conversation. How many of you want my WhatsApp number also? In the end, I will discuss. Okay. I can see all the messages, Raji. Okay. Fine. Is that fine? Is that fine? Yes or no? So salary for an automation tester in USA, it is almost 90K, which is very good. In USA, they pay more as compared to India. I think which is important. Okay. So who should become an automation tester? If you are a manual tester, you have to become, not want to. Now it is like have to, isn't it? Yes or no? Give me yes in the chat if you are a manual tester. Quickly. If you are a manual tester, you have to become an automation tester. No option left. If you are a fresher developer or DevOps, directly want to jump into the automation or software testing, give me yes in the chat too. If you are, if you can switch from manual to automation, and if you are from a non-IT, you have to learn automation nowadays because only manual testing will not let you job in software testing. Okay. So this is enough, promo sir. Now tell us the process. Isn't it? Yes or no? This is enough. Now tell us the 3 secrets. Now it is important. Go back to the point. Yes or no? There are many people who are telling me, okay, Pramod sir, please come to the point. 3 secrets. Okay, they are in hurry. Yes or no? Guys, do you think whenever you are in hurry, do you think you will learn new things? Yes. What do you think, guys? Yes or no? Because we are in a generation where we want everything fast, but everything has to be in a proper plan. How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes. Patience, and it has to be in a proper format. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just now we have understood what is an automation tester. They basically write some code. We have understood that jobs in automation are important and they are increasing. We have understood the salary. But how to become an automation tester? What are the doubts and everything? This is what we are going to discuss. Okay. So how many of you know about me already? Okay. Before we start, let's do a poll. Okay. Shall we do a poll? Let me know. You will see a poll, right? Do you know Pramod? Yes or no? How many of you know me already? Okay. Because I have not told me about myself till now. Okay. Couple of people. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So we'll take for 5 seconds. So quickly fill it. Okay. When you are done, give me D in the chat quickly. Okay. Give me D in the chat if you're done already. Sir, I watch your videos. Okay, good. Sir, I watch your YouTube videos. Awesome. Sir, YouTube channel subscriber. Okay. That is a good thing. Okay, awesome, guys. Awesome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. First of all, welcome to all my loyal followers. Thank you for joining in. Guys, if you are not, I'll tell you about myself now. Okay, so I'm ending the poll. All right. And just to let you know, my name is Pramod. Okay, I have 12 plus years of experience now in software testing. I have tested mobile application, web application, website application, and performance testing. I have done it all. Okay, by the way, right now I'm working and I'm handling a team of 30 people. I am teaching from 2017. I have taught more than 15K students, and 7,000 students I have it in the Facebook, and I run a YouTube channel. Okay. I run a YouTube channel named as The Testing Academy, and I love to contribute to software testing community. So whatever that I am discussing right now, okay, it is from my experience, and you are learning from a Gate mentor. Okay. So you are learning from a mentor. We have just now completed 150K subscribers, and I have already created more than 800 videos. Okay. So whatever you are learning, it is already proven. Is that make sense? So I hope now you got the important details that you are learning from a person who is already has done it. Whatever the doubt that you have, I already have faced it. Give me yes in the chat if you understood. Now let's get started with the secret number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, fine. I hope now you guys are good to go, right? Now you have a mindset now ready for this. Okay, awesome. Sir, give me please reply. Monica, I will reply. Okay, we will have audio conversation. Okay, don't worry. The people who want to ask some doubts, right, guys, just give me 20 minutes more so that I can give you the 3 secrets, right? Yes. Is that fine? Is that a fair bargain, right? Give me F in the chat if you agree. Is that a fair bargain? Yes. Fair bargain. Let me give you the 3 secrets, right? What are these secrets which will make sure that you become an automation tester? Fine. Okay. Good. So let's get started, which is secret number 1. Okay. My motive is to basically move you from manual to automation. But there is one disclaimer. How many of you are ready for disclaimer? Give me R in the chat. Okay. Give me R in the chat if you are ready for disclaimer. You cannot become an automation tester. You cannot become an automation tester if you hate coding, if you avoid practice, and if you don't like to work on the project. Hate coding is different and coding fear is different. I had a coding fear. Coding fear, I can help you to remove. I will tell you in this webinar how to remove your coding fear. But if you hate coding, please disconnect this webinar right now. How many of you have a fear? Type fear in the chat. If you hate coding, disconnect this webinar right now. No, you cannot become an automation tester. If you are case number 2, which is you have a fear I can remove. I'll tell you the secret how you can do it. Okay. So please disconnect the webinar if you hate coding, doesn't like to do practice, and if you don't like to work on project, you will not able to become an automation tester. Trust me, the people who hate, I have never seen to become an automation tester. But I have seen people who are from non-IT background, who are from a BPO background. There are people from fresher. There are people from manual tester with 1 year, 3 years, 7 years, even 14 years of experience are able to become an automation tester. What are the strategy they have used, which I'm going to discuss in this case. Okay. So is this clear? Is this clear? Yes or no? Let me clear a very important myth. What do you think, guys? If you want to become an automation tester, you have to learn heavy data structure. Is this true or false? Tell me yes. What do you think, guys? Is this true or false? The answer is absolutely false. No, you don't have to learn the heavy data structure. Okay. Because when you go, this is the programming language which people discuss. For example, let's say, suppose Java. But to become an automation tester, you need only this much knowledge of Java. This is a secret that nobody is telling you, right? What exactly is the secret is, let me tell you the secret. Okay. This is exactly that we are going to discuss in this. So secret number 1, which is coming to you. Okay. Secret number 1, which is coming to you before that. Okay. Which is this, which is secret number 1 is that you should know topics and roadmap. Give me S1 in the chat. Give me S1 in the chat. What do you mean by this topics and roadmap? Okay. The secret number 1 he told me is that you have to know the topics and roadmap. I said, okay, what exactly it means? All of you know right now, you know automation testing. What is an automation testing, right? But you know why you are not able to take a next step? What do you think, guys? What is the reason why you are not able to take a next step? Type in the chat. What is the problem you are facing? Why you are not taking the next step? Tell me. Give me your answers. Give me your answers. Okay. Give me your answer. Dedicating time, coding fear, how to start, no knowledge, lack of knowledge, no guidance. Guidance is missing, proper guidance, no roadmap. Don't know how to start. Exactly. This is the secret number 1, which I'm going to discuss. Okay. So if I tell you, if I solve your problem of topics, how many of you want? Bonus number 2 is coming to you. Okay. How many of you are ready? Give me yes in the chat. Give me B2 in the chat. Give me B2 in the chat. So guys, what I have done is, okay. What I have done is I have created a sheet for you where I have mentioned all the topics. And what you can do is whenever you are done, I have noted down all the important topics which are required. Okay. All the topics which are required. For example, for software testing, this is the topics. For Postman or API testing, this is the topic. For core Java, these are the topics. This is a programming language. For Maven, all these topics, right? And for rest assured, this is the topic that we have to discuss. But this is little difficult to understand, okay, Pramod sir, because we want how much time it will take, right? So this is what the problem I have solved by using, this is called as roadmap to become an automation tester, which will basically help you the exactly the secret number, which is the strategy, okay? So before I'll tell you about this roadmap is already validated by 2000 plus student last year. Okay. So whatever the value that you are getting, please make sure you take a screenshot. Okay. Take a screenshot of it. Or if you need HD version, you have to just type yes in the chat. Pramod sir, I need yes. Just give me yes in the chat. I'll give you the roadmap. Okay. I'll give you the roadmap. This is the strategy you need to follow of 4 months. Okay. This is it. Guys, this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks you have to cover to become an automation tester. What are these 5 blocks? First one is basically, okay, first one is basically, we call this as software testing basics, which can be covered in the 7 to 10 days. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in chat, okay? Let me zoom out a little bit, okay? I hope now everyone can see this. Yes, everyone can see this. Give me yes in the chat. Okay, good. First is something that can be easily covered in 7 to 10 days. If you are a manual tester, do you think that all the important topics we can cover in 10 days if you give 1 hour per day? Can you do it or not? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Is it possible? Yes or no? If you give, so now what is the strategy we need to follow? Okay. So there are how many components we have? How many components we see? How many components we have seen, guys? First one is software testing basics, 5, right? Second one is core Java. So third one is API testing. Okay. So let me write it properly so that you understand. API testing. Third one is API testing. How many of you remember the fourth one? Learning Selenium. And the third one is CI/CD. Okay. So this one, software testing part, can be covered in 7 to 10 days if you can give 1 hour per day or 4 to 5 hours per week. Is it possible to become an automation tester? Can you give this much? How many of you give this? Give me yes in the chat. Pramod sir, I think 1 hour per day I can give to change my career, to get a new salary, to basically become an automation tester, to get a decent salary, 30 to 40% hike, to jump from non-IT to IT, as a fresher to automation tester, to manual to automation tester. Can I give it or not? Yes or no, guys? Absolutely. Ankit is saying yes. Varshi, Khushbu, Sanatya, Chandrika, Arvind. I can see a lot of yes, right? If you have not typed yes, guys, please make sure you type yes in this case, okay? Yes, Akshita, Kirtin, Namit, Powerful, Ranjit, Priyanka, good. Okay, see. And for core Java, it is almost like 30-day plan. Okay, so it means you have to give 1 hour per day if you give, right? Let's suppose you are giving, let's suppose 4 to 5 hours per week. Okay, per week. Is that possible, guys? Is that possible? Do you think that? Okay, it can be also 30-day API testing also. And in the API testing, we have to learn Postman plus rest assured. These are the two concepts which we'll discuss later. We'll discuss later. High level, I am just giving you. Selenium 30 days max. Okay, let's suppose we will take 35 also. Here you can take 10 days mostly in this case. If you total calculate, right, it is almost near to 4 months. So I hope now your time is clear. So Pramod sir, please let me know that yes, around 4 months it is possible. How many of you are getting the clarity? Saita, please disconnect, okay? Sahitya is saying, sir, please reply or I will leave the session. See, what's my harm in this case? Your harm, right? You will not get clarity. That's it, right? What do you think, guys? Let's not pay attention to all the people. I think there are hundreds of people who wants value, right? Are you guys getting the value or not? Tell me, guys. Give me yes in the chat if you are getting value. Yes, guys, this is a strategy which is used by already 2000 plus students. Okay, I'll tell you, there are hundreds of people who are right now in the webinar who will not take any value from this webinar. Trust me, I'll tell you why. Because it is their mind who's stopping them to become an automation tester. I'll tell you why. Because if you are ready, you will understand that yes, 4 months, if I give 1 hour per day, I can change my life. They don't see the results. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. They don't see the results. Pramod sir, if I start from this March, probably after April, May, June, or probably June, July, I will be getting a new job. This exactly, they don't get it. Trust me. But there are hundreds of people who are saying me yes in the chat or saying A in the chat. They are getting the value, isn't it? Yes or no? Understood? Awesome. Tell me, guys. So, is this possible? Yes or no? So, for 4 months, it is absolutely possible to become an automation tester. But doubt is, doubt is, Pramod sir, which topic sheet? Give us the exactly the mind, exactly the topics, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? So that's why I have noted down all the topics. No need to follow anything at all. What I will tell you is I will give you this sheet. How many of you want this sheet? Just say I in the chat. I will share this sheet with you. What you need to do is file, make a copy. Okay, make a copy, and whenever you are learning which date, just mention the date. Any date you can mention, which when you have learned this concept, and just say done. Just say done and upload your documentation, whatever, to your GitHub. How many of you upload your manual testing projects? If you are a manual tester, I'm asking to you, all the manual testers, have you upload your project to github.com? Do you do that? Yes or no? That's the problem. Okay. This is the secret which is nobody is telling you. Tell me, guys, all the freshers, known IT as well as manual tester. This is a question to you. This is a question to you. Tell me, guys, if if I am taking your interview, okay, if I am taking your interview, you basically showed me this. Okay, right now, please pay attention what I'm trying to say. You showed me this thing, your manual testing projects, like this. I'll tell you how. For example, this is the strategy which I generally use. A hack is coming to you. Okay, all of you are going to learn a new hack, which is this thing. Guys, tell me, I will showcase my manual testing projects like this. Okay, this is the project one that I have done. This is a project two. This is a project three, project four, SQL projects. Okay. And these are the templates. And here I have mentioned which project, three projects which I have done, proper documentation, what are these templates contains and how this project is made. Do you think GitHub is your second resume after LinkedIn? Do you think this will work? How many of you think that? Give me yes in the chat. And this is exactly the hack that nobody is telling you over the online. Guys, I have taken hundreds of interview of automation tester, manual tester, freshers, non IT people. The people, why our resume, why students are working, why this is working for me, why this hack that I have told to other people, right? Why this was worked? Because we have something called as visibility, yes or no? Which is what? Showing is always greater than the telling. How many of you agree with this point? Whenever you show something, if I showcase this thing in front of you, you will think that yes, you have done. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no in the chat? Do you showcase your projects? All the manual tester, give me yes or no in the chat. Do you showcase like this? All the fresher, do you showcase like this? GitHub is very, very important. It is like your second resume. Please remember this thing. How many of you loved the idea? Tell me in the chat. Yes or no? How many of you loved the idea? Are you getting the value now? Are you getting the value yet? We have just started, guys. We have just started. Loved it, sir. Loved it. Loved it. Very unique concept. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Okay. So this is the roadmap. Now, if you follow this roadmap properly, where I have discussed about, okay, we have to learn software testing, we have to learn the core Java, or we have to learn API testing, we have to learn Selenium, we have to learn CI/CD. CI/CD basically contains Git, knowledge of Jenkins, AWS, Docker, Linux basic in this case. But there is one problem. Pramod sir, the problem is, can we learn Java in 30 days? Is it possible? How many of you have this doubt? Give me yes in the chat. Now I will help you to remove your coding fear also. Okay. So this is exactly the doubt I also have it. Okay. When I have started, okay, I thought, okay, many students told me, okay, Pramod sir, but we have a coding fear. Okay. I told them very clearly, okay, programming language is this big. Java programming language is this big. Okay. This big. But you have to focus on this part only to become an automation tester. So you have to know the exactly what. Tell me, guys, topics, exactly the topics that you should have to target, right? Yes or no? In the core Java also, we have to target exactly in 30 days what we need to learn. Right or wrong? What do you think, guys? By the way, I will zoom and I will show you also. This is, I will share this sheet with you. Okay. Don't worry. After this email, you will be automatically getting this sheet if you have said yes. Just say yes in the chat. You will be getting access to this sheet. Okay. Because I have a data who is interacting and who's not interacting. The person who's not interacting, they will not get an email. Okay. Okay. So please make sure you just give me yes in the chat. So 30-day plan. So this is exactly what I have done. Guys, pay attention to this. So what we have done is, apart from this, to remove your coding fear, what we have done, we have prepared a test plan. Okay, a plan for you guys. Okay, but before I tell you this plan, I want to help you to remove coding fear. Isn't it? Yes or no? How should I remove the coding fear, Pramod? Let's discuss. How many of you want to discuss this? Give me yes in the chat. Okay. Then I will tell you a story. How many of you are ready for this story? You have to give me the keyword so that I can tell you if you are ready for the keyword. What is the keyword, guys? What is the keyword? Keyword is ready, set, go. No, R. Story. Okay. The keyword is R. R is ready. Okay. Story is very simple. Okay. I'll tell you very important things. I wanted to learn swimming. Okay. Guys, I wanted to learn swimming. Okay. Swimming. Okay. How many of you know swimming? Yes or no? Yes or no? And I was continuously watching the YouTube videos. Okay. Lot of YouTube videos I was watching. Do you think I can learn swimming by watching the YouTube video? What is the reason? What is the reason, guys? Why? Because not practical. Okay. Not practical. Practice is missing. Okay. Practice is missing. No mentorship. Okay. Practical doubts are missing. Good, good, good. Okay. Awesome. Right. Then I thought, okay, let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Then my friend told me, join a swimming academy. Okay. But I had a fear of 7 feet pool. 7 feet pool is this big. Okay. This big 7 feet pool is this big. Okay. By the way. So I have a fear for this. Okay. Then when I joined, right, there was a mentor. There was a mentor who told me, okay, let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Try with what we call, let's do one thing. Okay, there is a kids pool. Okay, if you do, if you know kids pool, what is the depth for the kids pool, guys? What do you think? But what is the depth for the kids pool? 2 feet, 3 feet, around 2 to 3 feet, right? Yes or no? He told me do this for 15 to 20 days. Okay, do it for 20 to 50 days, and I become very comfortable. Okay, I become very comfortable in this case, and I was like, wow, 2 feet pool. I was just doing everything. I was floating and everything, right? And it was good. And after that, he told me, let's move to 5 feet pool because you are already comfortable. You are already comfortable. Okay. You are already comfortable. What you need to do is just go 5 feet pool. Okay. Now, because you are already 5 feet, 5 feet 8. My height is 5.8. Okay. So he told me, okay, just go with the 5 feet pool. You will not, okay, I will save you. I will save you. Try out. I said, okay, fine. For next 30 days, I went to 5 feet pool and I become very comfortable in this case. Okay. I become very, very comfortable at that. Then he told me, okay, do one thing. Let's move to 7 feet pool. Okay, go there. Okay, go there for 20 minutes and then move back. Okay, and do it for next 10 days. And I said, okay, 20 minutes is fine. I'll go there. I will not stay for long time. I'll come back to 5 feet pool. Okay. Then after 20 days, I was very much comfortable in 7 feet pool also. What exactly did you learn? And I learned a important lesson from this. What do you think, guys? What is the lesson? What is the lesson you'd learn from this story? Tell me. What is the lesson? Baby steps, take small steps, practice, right? So learning is, if you want to learn coding, if you want to remove coding fear, you have to have clarity of topics and roadmap. Okay. So I'm just relating this with, okay. Okay. Exactly the steps that you should know. You have to take baby steps. Yes or no? Agree with this point? You have to take baby steps. Agree? And the one thing is, you have to jump into the pool. Yes or no? Yes or no? You have to jump into the pool. You have to start learning the coding, isn't it? Then you will figure it out if it is with me or not. Yes or no? Exactly the things. And of course, last thing is practice. That will always make you sense. Okay. So that's why, if you have a clarity in your mind, which will be given by the roadmap, yes or no, guys? Yes or no? So this is the exactly the Java print which I want you to do. Okay, to you learn. Okay, all of you, 30-day plan for you. Now I'm gonna give you a bonus number 3. How many of you are ready? Give me B3 in the chat. Give me B3 in the chat. Bonus number 3 is coming. If you give, the only caveat is you have to give me 1 hour per day. How many of you can give 1 hour per day? Give me yes in the chat. Pramod sir, yes, I can give 1 hour per day, because this roadmap will not work if you don't give for next 30 days, because this will give you clarity. Clarity you will get if you give 1 hour per day. And only 3 things you need to learn, which is topic number 1, which is core Java, which is this part. Topic number 2, which is OOPS concepts, which will be amazing and important for your automation framework. And the third thing is collection framework. That's it, guys. That's it. This is exactly you need to learn. That's it in the Java that you need to learn. And you need to follow a proper notes. How many of you wants the notes? Give me yes in the chat. So I have prepared a Java notes for you, okay, which you can leverage this topic. Okay. So you can pick a topic, and follow the Java notes side by side. How many of you wanted? Give me yes in the chat. So this notes is basically, I will be sharing you with you, where if you are if you are a beginner, you have zero knowledge in this case. Okay. I'm assuming you have zero knowledge in this case, because when I have started, I also had the zero knowledge in this case. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. So those people, you can, what exactly you can do is, you can read from here and you can follow along and mark into your sheet. Can you do that or not? Tell me, guys. Can you do that? You can mark into your sheet also. Into your sheet, can you mark it? Yes or no? What do you think, guys? Yes or no? Can you follow? It will increase, it will remove your coding fear at least by 5% or 10% at least. How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes, Nachat. At least 5 to 10% it will decrease your coding fear, right? Yes or no? When you start doing this exercise daily, it will remove your coding fear by at least 60%. Okay. 100% I cannot do. But if you follow this strategy that I have used, okay, if you start marking your topics one by one, at least 50 to 60% of your coding fear will be removed. For example, you can type your date, whatever the date you want, and you can just start marking yes, 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 I have done it and all. Is this clear? Baby steps you need to do. Baby steps. 1 hour per day, upload it. 1 hour per day, learn it, upload it. 1 hour per day, learn it, upload it. Learn it, upload it. Learn it, upload it. In this case, is that fine? Give me yes in the chat. Is that fine? What do you think, guys? Have anyone told you this strategy before? Guys, how was the strategy? This looks great or not? Fair enough. This is a good idea. Yes. And let me tell you very important point, guys. This is a strategy which is used by already 2000 plus students. Now I told you, right? You already knew the things, but I am going to give you the things that you think you know, but you don't know, which is right now working in the market. Is it clear? These things people don't want you to go to. They don't want you to tell you actually those things. Okay. Yes. And let me tell you one step further. How many of you want to know? Give me one in the chat. One step further, what you can do is, you can upload your whatever the things that you have done. For example, whatever the programs that you have done, you can upload this to the GitHub repository. Can we do that or not? What do you think? What do you think? And this will be seen by your technical interview. Let me show you. For example, whatever the examples that I have done, I will be typing it here and I will be basically noting down, right? So whatever the 30-day plan you have done, so in 30 days, probably you will do 189, 180 number of challenges. You will be keep writing here one by one. And I will share with you also this repository link. It is an open source. You can check it out also. You can follow along with me day by day. Is that fine? Do you think now your coding fear is little removed? Tell me yes or no in the chat. What do you think, guys? What do you think? If you follow this strategy, yes or no? What do you think? Not only that, but Pramod, what about the coding questions? Those also what I have covered. So I have created 150 plus interview questions specifically made for automation tester. Guys, I am searching this from 2017 and I have added all the important questions in one document for you. And the moment you do these questions one by one, where I have added questions related to string reverse, right? Strings, arrays, couple of example of linked list, basic questions, anagrams, right? Triangle star patterns, all the core logic and everything I have noted down. Not only that, I have noted down the lead code challenges 15. The moment you start doing this, guys, tell me your coding fear will be removed and you will become more perfect or perfect. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Unbelievable. Mayank is saying, okay. Mayank is saying, sir, this is unbelievable. So this roadmap, now everyone is clear how well defined this roadmap is. How many of you are good? Okay. But there is a interesting thing. Okay. So how many of you are clear with the road? First topic, secret number one. Secret number one, if you are clear, give me S1 in the chat. Pramod sir, I am clear with this. Yes. And I hope your time is not getting wasted, right? Because secret number 2 and 3 is waiting for you. Okay. Secret number 2 and 3 are waiting for you now. Okay. The secret number 2, how many of you are ready? Then you have to tell me. Don't worry, I will share the link with you. Namit is saying, sir, give me all the links. I will share all the links. Okay. Don't worry. I will share all the links. Okay. Don't worry on this part. After the session, you will automatically get the session. Okay. Okay. Secret number 2 is, see guys, even if you follow the roadmap, even if you know the topics and everything, there is one problem, which is called as the live project. Yes, so isn't it? Yes or no, guys? As a manual tester, if you have not done the live projects, what is the point? As a fresher, if you have not done the live project, real-time live projects, nobody will select your resume. Nobody will select you for an interview. 100% true. How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes in the chat. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Real time, yes. So that problem I also have solved. So bonus number 3 or 4. Which four bonus is coming, guys? 3 or 4? 3 or 4? It is 4. Okay. A couple of people are confused. 3 or 4. So what if I tell you I have already curated all the important live project that you can use? Do you want the list of those projects? Yes or no? Yes or no? All the live project. How many of you want it? Give me yes or no in the chat. Yes. Okay. So all the important Selenium project or open source project which you can leverage, I have noted down. All the automation related projects I have noted down. All the API related testing projects I have noted down. All the advanced API testing projects I have noted down. Public API and the projects also I have noted down. Not only that, I have noted down all the HR module, which is an open source project that you can definitely add to your projects. Okay. And it contains the complex scenarios. Those are live projects. These are basically a table scenario and everything that you can add to your resume when you have done. Not only that, what you should do is, after doing this project manually, you should upload to your GitHub repository, as well as you need to add this to your framework also. What do you think, guys? So can we upload this project into the repository? Yes or no? What do you think, guys? Yes or no? Can we do that? Like this? So like this, if you basically can do it, yes or no? And one more thing which I recommend is, if you do API automation projects and web automation project, you have to upload to your repository also. For example, let me show you guys. Let me show you. So we have Selenium framework, okay, and we have a REST assured framework also. So let me know, guys. Let me know if I showcase my profile like this. Okay, why you are making the mistake? All of you are making same mistake because you are not showing your projects. How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. Are you showing or are you showing your projects like this? Are you showing your Selenium automation project like this? Guys, proper repository. And are you showing your API testing live project that you have done like this? Do you think this will work? How many of you are, tell me, do you think this will work? Manisha, it is totally ethical. These are open source projects. Anyone can do it and add to your resume. Okay. Do you think this will work? This will 100% work. That's why I'm telling you, no, the people who are telling me, no, Pramod sir, I don't have a project. That's why my resume is not selected. Pramod sir, my resume is not getting selected because I don't have a project. This is exactly you need to work. Why your projects, your resume, and why you are not able to select as an automation tester. This is the mistake that you guys are making. How many of you are now able to relate? Give me R in the chat. Pramod sir, now I am able to understand what is the mistake I am making. Guys, I love to do this kind of webinar because this is a webinar where I'm teaching you these things which are working right now in the market, isn't it? Yes or no? Understood? Can we add company projects, which we will discuss? Vrishali will discuss which project you can add, which project you cannot add. I will discuss. Okay. I will discuss this thing, but I have given you all the list. Okay. In this, I have already shared you all the links in this case. Do you think, guys, this framework that we have added, which is a API automation framework, when you have done after 4 months, when you have done, right? And when web automation project that you have done, which is not, also a real-time project, and the software testing project that you have seen, this will work. Yes or no? Right? Okay. Doubt session we will cover. Okay. Don't worry. These are resources are public. Yes. 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 We have to. And you have to add to your own profile. Yes or no? So Sarojit, Bhagyashri, Shridhana, Varsholi, Shweta, Prabhud, all of you have to add to your own profile in this case. Is that fine? Then only it will work. Okay. Else it will not work. Fair enough? So secret number 2 is clear or no? Tell me, guys. Give me S2 in the chat. Is this clear? So you have to create a list of important projects and you have to add them properly into your repository. Yes or no? This will become your public resume that you have done it, and showing is always greater than telling. I'll tell you in scenario. Okay. So when I was basically taking an interview, okay, this is a strategy which I have learned properly. Okay. Which is, uh, when I showcase these example, right, my resume was get selected, and even in my interview of Browser Strike, right, I got selected like this. Piece of cake. This is the strategy which is working, and this is a strategy that many of my students have already tried in this case, and it works very well. Is it clear? I hope everyone is clear with this point. Give me clear in the chat. Now we'll discuss about secret number 3. Secret number 3 is coming to you, right? I hope your time is not wasted, right? Yes, you think. How many of you are getting the value? How many of you are getting the value? Kushbu is saying, sir, how to use GitHub? I'll tell you, okay? I'll give you a important thing, okay? There are a couple of people who are interested to learn the GitHub. How many of you? What if I will give you a 2-hour of free course, which you can basically take? How many of you want that? Give me yes in the chat. A 2-hour of course, which will help you to make these kind of profiles, which will cover all the important details about Git and everything. How many of you want it? Totally willing to? Give me yes in the chat. Then you have to give me yes in the chat. Okay. Okay. It's a 4-hour series. You can cover this in 2 hours, less than 2 hours, and you are good to go. You can create your own repositories like this. Okay. Fair enough. Is this clear? Is this clear? So I'm going to share with you later. I will share with you later. Okay. In the email, I will share. Okay. So I hope this is extra thing that I have added to webinar. Okay. This was not planned, but I have added. Okay. So, and I want only one thing from you guys, a small thanks. Is that fine? Harni has already given me thanks. Pratap has already given. Vani has already given. Thank you guys. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Okay. A small thanks, right? Because see, guys, please understand. When I was a manual tester also, right? Then I also, this kind of webinar, I never had it. I'll tell you why. Because when I wanted to become an automation tester, no, there was no documentation available. No roadmap was available. Nobody knows about the topics. And somebody told me, okay, you have to learn the core Java, which is this big. So I was totally confused. Okay. Because now I have already done it. After 12 years, I have done it with my students also. So I think I am the right person who can now guide you. And that's why I'm giving you the guidance. Is that make sense? Right? Is this make sense? I hope it is making sense now. Right? because I was also in your shoes. And that's why I created all the roadmap, because I thought, okay, what is the roadmap? People should get it. What are the projects they have to do? They should be have a clarity on this. Okay. Yes. Shweta is saying, thank you so much. You have created a treasure, sir. Girish is saying, awesome, awesome, awesome. Great, 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 great. But still, there is one thing which can stop you. Okay. But there is still one thing which can stop you, which is secret number 3. Now, how many of you are ready? Guys, now we will, after this, we will take audio questions. Okay. After this, we will take audio questions, right? I hope everyone is ready. The type R in the chat. Audio questions we will take. Okay. So if you have questions related to non-IT, salary gap, manual testing, what should I do, coding fear, everything, we will take audio questions. Okay. All right. But secret number 2 is, even though you do everything in this case, still your resume will not get selected. So how to properly add a projects to your resume so that it gets selected? No, secret through is not a money. Jagdish is saying, sir, it is money. No, the question is how you will add your resume, because 70% of the time your resume will not get selected, because even though you have learned someone from the courses, if you even you have done the live projects, your resume get rejected 70% of the time. How many of you are facing this issue? Give me yes in the chat. I am facing this issue also, but now I don't face, because now we have a strategy. I'm gonna talk about 2 important strategy, okay, which will help you now. Okay. So strategy number 1, how many of you want to know? I hope everyone wants to know, right? What you should do is, I'll tell you what is it. Okay. How many of you, let me tell you a hack number 1. Okay. I'll discuss about the hacks. How many of you, hack number 1, okay? What is the hack, promoter? Please explain. How many of you create one resume and apply to all the jobs? How many of you do that? Give me yes in the chat. And apply all the jobs. All of you say yes, 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 yes. And what if I tell you this don't work in 2024, or it will never work in 2025 also? How many feel like, really? Yes or no? It will not work. It will not work. One resume, one job. Please remember, this is what exactly which is working right now. One resume for one job description. Okay. Then you have to update it with keywords and description. Okay. Now let me tell you what I'm trying to say. Okay. Pay attention, what I'm trying to say. Okay. So first of all, I will show you my resume. Okay. Before we discuss, this is a hack number 1 that which I have discussed, right? This is the hack number 1. This is the hack number 1. One resume and this thing. This is a part of it. Second one is fill your resume with the keywords. Okay. This hack also I'm going to discuss, and proper plan to add the projects and skills and experience. Okay. Remember these 3 things. Okay. Now I'm going to show you all these 3 hacks in one go. Okay. How many of you are ready? Give me R in the chat. All these 3 hacks I'm going to show you now in one go. Okay. All 3 hacks. How I have leveraged all these 3 in one resume. I am going to show you now a resume which basically got selected in Amazon.com, BrowserStack, Wingify, Techion, and very good companies. Now you have to tell me, I will show you this resume for 5 seconds. Okay. Now tell me what is the first thing that you see. Now, ready for this? I hope everyone is ready, right? Tell me in the chat, what exactly did you see when I have just scrolled down, and let me show you now. Okay. What exactly do you see? Let me zoom a little bit also. What do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. By the way, photo is also there. Okay. Now let me close. Now let me note down. What exactly do you see, guys? What exactly do you see? What do you see? Okay. Skills. Okay. ATS. Oh, what is this? Skills. Okay. Projects, exactly, and the experience. Absolutely right. Okay. For the people who have got it right. Exactly. This is exactly I want you to see. Okay. HRs have almost like, first thing is HR have only less than 5 seconds to see your resume. If you still want to know, just Google this. Okay, HR see your resume for less than 5 seconds. What is the time duration? What is the time duration? Type in the chat. What is the time duration they see your resume, guys? Less than 5 seconds. So, what is the first thing that I want you to see? Skills with Java or Selenium or API testing. Yes or no? Yes or no? Give me yes or no in the chat. Yes. Yes or no? Exactly. Another important thing, which is HRC, one important details in this case. What exactly do you see in this four, which I have selected, guys? What exactly do you see? What is the first thing that you see? What is the first thing that you see when you read this? Responsibility, first keyword. Okay. Anyone else? Numbers. Yes or no? This number makes sense, right? Yes or no? This number makes more sense because humans see numbers. How many test cases you have done? This is smartly I have added here also. How many test cases we have done? Yes or no? Numerical values. Secret number two, add numerical values properly. And secret number one is your skills, your project, and your experience should be clear. Yes or no? It should be clearly mentioned. Okay. Yes or no? Everyone is clear with this point. Give me clear in the chat if you're clear. Your skill, your experience, and your project should be clearly visible. Add numbers in this case. But this resume, you have to modify. How to create this resume? You can use a website. One page resume is also there, right? Yes. Okay. Novo resume. I have created this from Novo resume. Okay. So what you will do is, let's suppose, let me find a job. Okay. Go to LinkedIn. Okay. Let's go to Pramod Datta. Let's find a job. Okay. So do you think this resume will work for this job, which I'm showing you right now? Okay. Let me check. How many of you think that? Okay. Let's do an exercise. Go to job section. Go to job section. Okay. Guys, by the way, we have just completed 22,000 followers. Okay. On LinkedIn. If you don't follow me on LinkedIn, try if possible. Okay. Follow me on LinkedIn also, which will helpful for you because I will be sharing I share a lot of tips there. Okay. So let's suppose I am applying for quality manager. Okay. Please pay attention, guys. Please pay attention. Do you think my resume will work for this job? Do you think? How many of you think that it will work? Again, I'm telling you the thing which is very important. How many think this will work? Okay. Let's do one thing. I will show you. Okay. What is the percentage chances it will work? Okay. So I have this extension called as Joblytics, Resume Keyword Analyzer. This is the extension that I have installed. Okay. You can Google this, joblytics.com. Okay. And you can you can basically upload your resume. Click on the analyze job description. I have installed one extension. Okay. Now, how many of you can see it is 0% match? Do you think my resume will get selected? Do you think my resume will get selected? Application tracking system, which is ATS, will immediately reject this. Okay. So what should I do, Pramod sir? Then what you need to do is, what should you do? Guys, what should you do? Let's try with another profile. Okay. Let's try it. In this case. All right. What do you think, guys? Add keywords. Exactly. Okay, 1 second. I think keyword matching is 0%. Then what should I do, guys? What should I do? Okay. This one, sorry, cancel for this. It is telling you one important thing, which is these all are the keywords which are missing in my resume. Yes or no? It is telling me these are the important keywords which are missing in my resume. So what should I do? What I will do is, for example, here we have innovation. So I will copy this and I will open my resume. I will open my resume. Okay, pay attention. How many of you are paying attention? Give me P in the chat. How many of you are paying attention? It is a very secret hack. Okay, I will open this into a edit mode. What is the keyword that I have copied? What was the name of that keyword? What was the name of that keyword? What was it? What was it? What was the value? Innovation. Okay. So quickly I will add responsible for end-to-end automation framework with Kubernetes and GitHub Actions. Okay. Okay. With innovation of Selenium grade, okay, as a service. Smartly, I have added a word, okay. Right now, probably it is not making sense, but smartly, I have added one keyword. Yes or no? How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. How many of you are with me? Give me W in the chat. Smartly, I will add the keywords, okay. So I will keep adding the missing keywords, okay. I will keep adding the missing keywords. For example, design, okay. So I will add design. Okay, drive test estimation, I will add design and drive. Now this will create another type of resume. Yes or no? After adding this, my percentage will be high. Yes or no? So it will create a new resume. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? So if I have one resume, I will have a different job description. Yes or no? So for 10 jobs, I will have 10 different resume, right? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Give me yes if you agree with this point. Yes. This is what which is working right now in the market. How many of you loved it? And how many of you didn't know this? Give me, Pramod, I didn't know this. This is why your resume getting disliked. This is only 3 hacks that I have told you. What if I tell you 25 more hacks? Didn't know, didn't know, didn't know. What if I give you 25 more hacks? How many of you wanted? How many of you wanted? Yes. And a golden resume also. I wanted, yes. Okay. So same thing, guys. What I have done is I have basically done a 1 hour of workshop. Okay, 1 hour of workshop where I have discussed what is the golden resume that you can basically create. Resume review live. This is, by the way, a paid website, paid session that I have done, but you will be getting it for free. Okay, in this case, top mistake that you are making: how to create a golden resume that gets selected, resume reviews, and mistakes, or how to make your resume better with all these 25 plus strategies. I will be sharing all of these things with you. Is that fine? How many of you now clear with secret number 2 also in the end? Thank you. Yes or no? So what exactly did you learn from all this, guys? I hope your time is not wasted, right? Yes or no? I hope your time is not wasted. What is the learning that you have from this? You have to change your mindset, isn't it? To become an automation tester. Sir, not wasted at all, sir. Learn so many things, so many things, so many things, right? Yes or no? Okay. So if you want to become like this guy, which I think I have, right? You have to focus on the topics and roadmap. Yes or no? What is your biggest takeaway? Tell me in the chat, guys. What is your biggest takeaway from this? Most relevant. Roadmap is important. Fear can be removed with roadmaps and topics. Good. Learn new things. Very valuable. I can do it. To overcome learning, automation is important. Automation, we have to learn strategy. Structured path is important. Good, good, good. Swapnil is saying strategy. Everything is new. Roadmap is important. Strategies is important. Clarity, clarity, clarity. Good. Feeling confident now? Yes or no? Good, good. Structured things are important. Good. Fear is removed, sir. Roadmap is important. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome. Guys, now your action is block at least 4 to 5 hours per week. How many of you think you can do it? Give me I in the chat. How many of you think that it is possible? If you follow this roadmap, you have to block at least 4 to 5 hours per week, right? And one more thing is, so I hope all the people who have attended, your time is not wasted, but now I need your permission now from all of you to discuss about a program that I am launching on last week of March, this March. Okay. Do I have your permission? Give me yes in the chat, guys, if I have your permission to discuss now, because valuable part of 3 Secret is now clear, right? Everyone, I will be sharing all the details with you through the email. Now I will be discussing about a course which I am launching, where I am searching for the people who are very serious and who believe that this roadmap will work from them. Okay. I am searching for all the people. If you think that you are serious, just type I am serious, Pramod sir, and I want to know more about it. Yes. Yes. Nishi is saying that, okay, good. Sareeb, Karitma, Karthik, Jwala, Khushbu, Pradap, Dipali, good, 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 good. Amy is saying yes. I'm very serious. Guys, so now I'm going to tell you the same strategy that you have to follow. And if you think, Pramod sir, I am able to relate with this, and I think you are the mentor who can explain me all these things now. Okay. So guys, this same strategy we are going to cover in this roadmap that we have already discussed. Topics sheet that you can get it here. It will be a 4 month of plan. You will be with me for 4 months, right? Where we will be covering core Java, OOPS concept, collection, threading, and design patterns. I am assuming you have zero knowledge. Okay. Is that fine? All of you, I am assuming you have zero knowledge because we are going to start with the scratch. I'm assuming you are zero like me. Okay. Because when I have started, I was zero also. Okay. We will be covering core Java, frameworks, right? Threading parts. We will be doing coding questions of hacker challenges. We will be doing manual testing projects. Okay. This will be a self-paced. 2, 3 live projects of API testing. We will be doing web projects because projects are very, very important. How many of you think that? Give me yes in the chat. Projects are important. So we have to target for at least two projects. I have mentioned clearly here also. If you see 2 projects, from 2 projects, and push to GitHub. This is very, very important that we need to target, right? For next 4 months, that is the plan that we have, right? Clear? Apart from this, we will be learning in sprints. We will be covering the agile strategies. We will be learning about web automation, Selenium, Cucumber BDD also is also part of this. Okay, so Cucumber BDD with rest assured as well as Selenium, we will be learning, and we will learning Jenkins as well as all the API automation framework that we are creating cyber side. Okay, so all these projects we will be covering in this case. Okay, note, what do you think, guys? So this is exactly the strategy of 4 months plan that we will be covering overall. Okay, and this is what I am doing is I am searching for the people who will be following up this with me. Okay, so this is exactly the things that we are basically starting. So guys, just to let you know, I am basically launching a live 4 months course. Live, this is a live 4 months course where you will be getting all these things, where I will help you in resume building. We will create a resume like this. How many of you want to create resume like this, which will get selected every time? We will create a resume that will get selected, will help you in job finding, LinkedIn masterclass tips and tricks. We will be giving you 24 session LMS or lifetime recording, doubt sessions like this. What do you think, guys? Doubt session will work or not? Yes or no? Mock interviews in the end. What do you think? This will work or not? Mock interviews in the end. We will be covering the mock interviews also, curated job list for you, right? And in the end, the certificate of compilation. Okay. What do you think, guys? So total value for this course. Okay. I think for what you are getting is 4 months of course, which is, I think, which is 45,000. It is just a value which I am giving you. Okay. Access to previous batch recording, which is important because last time, this is a 6th batch that I am doing. Okay. 5th batch recording is already present that I will be sharing with you. How many of you want previous batch recording? Pramod sir, there are almost 12 days are remaining before you start the new project or new 30th of March because you are starting. And I want previous batch recording also. So previous batch recording, I generally don't share. I never share previous batch recording, but for you guys, I will be discussing and we will be sharing with you because right now you are in this webinar with me for more than 1.5 hours. You should be getting some benefit, right? How many of you think that? Give me yes in the chat. You should be getting the benefit, right? Yes or no? What do you think, guys? Yes. Awesome. And one more announcement is you will be getting a course of self-paced playwright with Java, which is more than 6,000 rupees that we are launching. And 5+ extra bonuses of manual testing, API testing, self-paced courses, which are almost like 15,000 rupees. And SDET.club access for 5,099 rupees. All of this you will be getting, right? A fixed price, which I'm now going to reveal, which is nothing but 999 only. Okay, so how to enroll and what exactly is this thing? But there is one caveat. This pricing is going to increase after today. Okay, in the website, the price is increasing, right? Chandrika is saying, sir, price is now 12,000 rupees, right? So official price for this is 9,999 rupees. Right, guys, I can make it 50,000 rupees. There are people who are charging for 30% of the course with around 35,000, right, and other things and all. But I have just made it the most affordable course because I want only serious people. If you are serious only, then please join. I don't want any random people. If you think you can do it with me, you can learn it with me, then that thing I'm going to show you now. Okay, everyone is with me? So how to enroll? Let me show you. You need to go to the sdet.live. Okay, timings I will discuss, Mayank. Okay, so this is a job ready automation tester blueprint batch. How many of you want to become a job ready? Give me J in the chat. Pramod sir, we will be targeting for job ready automation tester. Okay, timings are Tuesday, Thursday, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST, and Saturday it will be 7 to a.m. Okay, let me share the timing also. This is the timing that we are doing. How to enroll? Click on the link below. Click here to become. Okay, and by the way, this is a fifth batch that we are doing. Okay, previously we have already done the batches, right? What you need to do is click here, come and enter the promo code, which is PROMODE. Click on apply, and only today this code will expire after 12. So only condition if you want to get this offer is you need to basically join it before 12. Is that fine? Is that fine? Yes or no? So you can just enter your details. If you are from India, you can select Razorpay one time, click on the complete order. And if you want to avail for EMI offer also, there is an EMI offer also there. But if you do it today, after that, you will see an option of entering your number. So just add any your number. Okay. This is, for example, number. Click on proceed. And now if you want to pay through the QR code of UPI, you can pay by using UPI, net banking, wallet, or EMI option is also there if you're looking for EMI option also. Okay. Is that clear? So let me share the link with you. Is that clear? So this is the link. Let's take the live questions. How many of you want to ask the live questions? Pramod sir, I have a questions. I want to really ask some questions. Okay. So classes will be only for 3 days. Yes. It will be 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, and 2 hour, which is almost, what is the total time, guys? It is almost 4.5 or 5 hours of content per week that we are going to cover for next 4 months. Classes will start from the 30th of March. Okay, we are starting it, and all the bonuses and everything you will be getting it. Okay, in this case. So let's take a couple of questions. Shall we take questions? Yes or no? Shall we take questions? Yes. Okay. So you can raise your hands. Okay, and lifetime recordings are available, guys. Lifetime recordings are available. So when you enroll, automatically you will get access to all the recordings of previous batch, as well as if you go to courses, you can play your videos and everything. So all these bonus courses that you have, right? So bonus courses which we are providing you. What are the different bonuses courses we have? It's a 4-month live program. Okay, batch will starting in March, 30th of March we are starting. Okay, and these are the framework that we are going to create. All these things are we are basically learning. And these two bonuses, bonus number 1 and bonus number 2, this will be removed. These two bonuses will be removed if you don't join before the 12. So condition is you have to start from the what we call join it before. Okay, 30th of March, 30th of March, okay? 30th of March 2024. This is where you need to join. Okay, is it make sense? Good. Okay, let's take a couple of questions. Okay, J Monica, this is your first question. Okay, so J Monica, right? J Monica asked the first question. Let's couple of guys keep raising your hands. We will have audio conversations. Okay. All right, and the people who are from USD, it will be in USD. Okay, for you. Okay, let's take a couple of questions. Okay, Bhagyashri, yes, your question, please. Yes, you can unmute and ask. Okay, guys, please raise your question, raise your doubt. Shweta,
Am I
you
audible,
have
sir?
question? Yes, Bhagyashri, go on, please.
Sir, as I'm working in TCS as a API tester, so
Okay.
for switching, I need to learn Selenium and other things, na?
Right.
Like
You need
these
to learn
things I
API
need to
testing with
learn.
Rest Assured and API testing with Selenium to become an automation tester fully, which is important for you. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
create your own framework also. So did you get the idea? How was the session? Did you learn it or
Yes,
not?
sir. Sir, it's amazing. I learned a lot of things here.
Awesome, awesome. And how is the roadmap? Do you think it will work for as a manual tester?
Yeah,
What do you
it
think?
will work definitely. If you try
Right?
now, so it will work definitely.
Exactly. So that's why, right? I am basically telling you, and this roadmap already is rectified by so many people, no, Bhageshri. So it will definitely work.
Yes, sir.
But I am looking
Yeah,
for a
yeah, sir.
serious people. That is the most important thing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Khushbu, you
sir.
can type your doubts. Okay. Type your
Thank you,
doubts
sir.
also. Bhageshri. So is that fine? Okay. Any other
Yes,
doubt?
sir. It's fine to me. No, no. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. So just guys, please make sure that you join it before 12. Else two bonuses, which is previous batch as well as playwright that I have already added, right? Which will not be available to you if you don't join before 12. So that is the only condition. Is that clear? Give me clear in the chat. If condition is clear, give me clear in the chat. All the bonuses of previous batch, if you need previous batch, if you need the playwright with Java, which will cost you in future probably 7,000 or 10,000 rupees, you will be automatically getting it. Okay. In this case, another important thing is couple of people ask me this question, Pramod sir, what about the doubt session? Where you will take the doubt session? And what if I tell you that there are 24/7 doubt sessions are available? How many of you think that it will be amazing? What do you think, guys? What if I solve the problem of your doubts as well as if I help you in job referrals from the other people? There are 3,000 plus people who will help you in job. Do you think this will work? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Awesome. So when you join it today, guys, you will get a access to sdat.club. Okay. sdat.club is nothing but where what is it? Every Friday we have a doubt session. So you can ask your doubts. We will have our new sessions also side by side. And what interesting thing is, which you can see in the previous batch of automation tester, by the way, fifth batch, where Selenium is almost finished. Okay. Here, what you will see a 24/7 doubt session where there are two other professionals who will be helping you in your doubts. Is that fine? Yes or no? This will work or not? Apart from me, there are two other people also who will be helping you in your doubt sessions. If you have any doubt, for example, if you see here, if you see, right, all the doubt sessions that you have related to any doubt, 46 minutes ago, if you have any doubt, you will be automatically getting the reply, right? Is it will be cool? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Let me ask another question. Shweta, yes, go on, please. Guys, raise your hands if
Yeah.
you have any question. Yes, Shweta, please go on.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Actually, my question is, I have
Hmm.
experience of 6 years, but in manual testing, I have the experience of only 1 year.
Okay.
So I want to switch my career to automation as my
Okay.
salary is low, and I want to explore my education and job field also. So how can
Right.
I approach to it? And actually, I want to become a Python tester, and I
Okay.
want to explore my career in further in Python. So, is this compulsory to know about Java completely and directly switch to Python? So, is this is my confusion?
Mm-hmm. See, the question is very important. See, right now Java is hot in the market and most of the companies are using Java. Out of 10, if you
Mhm.
think 7 jobs are related to Java, that's why we prefer to use Java. But it is not like this. There are 3 companies who are hiring for Python also. So those are equally good, right? But this batch right now that I'm doing, it will be in the Java only because the people who are interested, Java is very popular nowadays, right? But one important thing which I will announce you, right? Core concept of Selenium, core concept of API testing, and core concept of manual testing will remain same. Only syntax changes in the frameworks. Does that make sense? Yes.
Okay, okay,
Right, Shweta?
yes,
Makes
yes,
sense, right?
yeah.
So it depends. For example, I'll tell you my story. When I have started, I learned Java. For 3 months, 3 years, I have done Java. Then after that, I have
Mhm.
learned Python. After that, sometimes I have done JavaScript. So I have done Ruby also. But core concept of Selenium and API testing remains same.
Yes,
Okay.
that's correct. Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is what will happen is if you join it, you will learn the core concept of frameworks and everything and all. Okay. So those
Oh,
things will
okay.
help you to jump into the any other. And it is just a syntax. Probably if you are comfortable with Python, you will be automatically able to learn the same concept in Selenium and as well as in APIs also. So your choice in that case. Okay. But if you think
Okay.
right now you are in this webinar, I think you are interested in Java also. So this is
Yes,
an
yes.
offer for only for Java students. Okay, Shweta. And batches
Okay,
timing I have
okay.
already discussed. 30th of
Yes.
March, we are starting out. So I'm pretty much sure you are comfortable then. And please, I'll tell you very important thing, guys. This is a old pricing. If you go after today, we are going to increase the price to 12,500. And trust me, this is the what I say, affordable course in the market to help you to become an automation tester, to get a new job, a 30 to 40% hike as a manual tester. This will be a trigger point for you. Okay. So if you see, on the website, it is already 12,500. Okay. So right now, but if since you already are into this webinar, that's why I thought let's give you a better offer so that you can join it immediately. Because I really like the people who are action takers. Because action takers are the people who are, I think that after 4 months, they will be getting the job as an automation tester. Okay. Okay. Shrujan. Yes, Shrujan, you are next. Okay. Shrujan, yes, please go on. You can unmute and ask, okay? Guys, keep raising your hands, okay? We'll be taking all questions. Okay, Nitish, Siddharth, okay, who is there? Okay, raise your hands, keep raising your hands, okay?
Hello.
Yes, Nitish, yes, go on, please.
Yeah. Currently, I'm working in PIGO, which is automobile
Okay.
company.
Hmm.
And should I go to Scrum Master or manual tester? Because so
Okay, should you go for Scrum Master or manual tester?
yeah.
Okay, Scrum Master jobs, to be honest, Nitish, I will suggest you manual test. Don't learn only manual testing, include automation also. This is first suggestion. Second thing is Scrum Master certification, you can always take side by side also.
Okay.
Okay, I am also Scrum Master certified, PSM1 certified, PSM2 I am taking right now. Okay.
Okay. So it
So
will impact on my current profile or not, sir?
it will not, I would suggest, but my recommendation is Scrum Master is something PSM1 and PS2, right? Separately, very low number of people go with the Scrum Master profiles. Okay. Probably they will have their core, for example, manual or automation, then extra content generally they are taking. This is what my learning is, Nitish. Okay.
Okay. One
All
more
right.
question, sir.
Hmm.
Uh,
Go on, go on, go on. We'll take all the questions, guys. So don't worry. We will take all the questions. Okay.
computed I tried a lots of for the interviews and automation and
Hmm.
manual, but I still not getting any call from the manual and automation.
Hmm.
Having the 3
Automation you will start getting, Nitish. Now, if you add properly the projects, I have told you so many strategies also. Give it a try. Trust me, you will get. Okay. Lot of students are already getting the replies. Okay. So don't worry. 100% you will be getting it. Okay. Anyways, what was your question? Continue.
Yeah, but I'm not getting a call in manual as well as automation also.
Manual you will not get. You have to add automation and you have to, guys, very important thing is you have to go with the referrals, right? How many of you think that referral works? Give me yes in the chat if you think that. What if I tell you there are 3,000 plus students who can give you the referrals? Will it work or not? What do you think, Nitish? There are people who will give you referrals. So we have a group which is jobs and referral. Every week we share lot of openings which are there. For example, see Srinivas, who is already a student of ATP Success, he's sharing where you need to send the work from home and everything. Lot of job openings we are continuously sharing here. We are sharing the referrals and everything side by side. It's a community, guys. You will be getting lifetime access to community when you join the program today of sdet.club, plus 24/7 doubt session. Isn't it amazing? That's why I told you, right? Only separate program doesn't work. But when you add live classes, these are live classes, by the way, similar to that. Okay. This is how generally I take live classes. Content after that doubt session. This is my doubt session, which is going on. Okay. So after that, you will be getting access to this lifetime access to this sdet.club. Because I'll tell you very important thing, sdet.club lifetime access you will not get after this. It will be a paid community of 5,000 rupees per year. But for you guys, if you join it today, sdet.club will be lifetime. And when you join it today, you will automatically get access to all this. Does this make sense? Okay. Live classes, and I will be basically teaching all the concepts. Okay. Yes, Charan, you have a question? Prashant, then we will take your question also. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah. There is a career gap of can I go for automation testing?
How much is the career gap, Charan?
3 years.
3 years is nothing, no. There, I'll tell you, in the previous automation 4x batch, there was a student who had 6 years as a BPO, okay, 6 to 7 years as BPO profile. And he basically targeted for startups, and now he's working as an automation engineer. He is present in SDET.club, okay, by the way. If you want me to connect with him, I'll connect with him also. Okay. So
Basically,
3 years is nothing. 3 years, nothing, but you have to showcase your project. What you need to do is, Charan, after taking this course, right, whatever the live project that we have done, right, you have to justify what you have done in the last 3 years. You can tell them that, okay, I got laid off for like 1 year or something, where I have prepared, you can test my knowledge. Does this make sense?
yes.
Understood. So this is the couple of things. When you basically will discuss with me, right? Friday evening, 8 to 9:30, we have doubt session. Every Friday we have doubt session and SDET master classes. If you see, you will get access to master classes for lifetime. So we have a lot of master classes in the previous. If you see, coding related, mastering code quality, Git basics, as a JavaScript basics, performance testing, security testing related content also is there. Every Friday we do live master classes. There you will understand, and you can ask your doubt questions also in this case. Okay. There it will be clear. Prashant, your question, please. Yes.
Yeah, hi sir. I have 6 years experience in game testing, and I'm trying to switch into core industry like manual and automation testing. But I go with any company, na, they will not getting shortlisted to me. Even my HR round is done, but with my experience as in game testing, na, they rejected me lots of time, and even I'm facing.
What
such
you need to show,
type of-
I'll tell you one strategy, Prashant. One strategy which maximum people use, okay, which is they do some kind of courses and they basically perform whatever the live project that I suggest you, right? You do it and upload it to your github.com and everywhere. Then you showcase and create a resume in such a way that, okay, I have done the project which is related to web automation and the API automation. Do you think it will work? Yes.
Yeah, it will work, but my previous experience is in game testing. Na, if they go with
That
my
is fine.
profile,
No,
na,
in the game testing, what you need to showcase is, even though my website or I have done game testing, but I have done some training, but you need to justify. No, many people have done it. I'll tell you, there are people from tech support who was able to get a job as an automation tester. You are into a game testing. Can't you do it, Prashant? Tell me.
Oh, yeah, it's possible. But if
Right.
I go with my site, like go with I think more than 100. Yeah, obviously more than 100. I apply lots of company, but they never shortlisted my CV. Even HR round is done. but
Shortlisting,
after that-
shortlisting can be multiple cases. I'll tell you, if you specifically highlight game testing, no, then it is a problem. What you need to highlight is, I have done web automation and API automation. Does this make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense. But if
So
I don't have much more
there
idea
are
about
hundreds of other strategies. Okay, I know you will have your reasons. You will continuously asking me same reason again and again, because you have not done it, and I have seen many students doing it, Prashant. Okay, I have 12 plus years experience and I have taught more than 15,000 students. This is a very common query. I have seen people from tech support getting job as an automation tester. I have seen people from the Scrum or Scrum Master getting job as an automation tester. I have seen people from support role getting into the automation, game testing, game testers. There are people who tested what we call, there are some games related to that, gaming engines, right? Unreal and Unity.
yeah. Even I also work with
Those switch to automation. So I know, because you have not done it, no, you will be keep on asking it. But I am telling you with my experience, you have to trust your mentor. That's it. Okay. So it is
No, actually,
100% possible.
I'm also weak in communication. Like I'm not fluent in English.
You are fine. You are pretty much fine. Okay. You are speaking very good. Good. I think so. What do you think, guys? I think it's decent, right? Prashant is doing this. Everyone is saying yes. Okay. Prashant. Tejas is, it's good. It's decent
Okay.
enough. No, okay. Don't get disheartened. But what you need to show is showcase the important skills. Showcase the project that we have done. We are doing API automation project that you will add to your resume. We are doing web automation project that you will add to your resume, as well as GitHub profile. You will showcase that these are the live project or open source project that I have done in my company. Can you tell me, can the new company which you are joining, can they verify which project you have done in previous company, Prashant? Can they
Maybe
verify?
yes.
No,
Yeah.
the answer is no. Never. They will never. Because you will say that my projects which I am right now discussing are under the NDA, which is non-disclosure agreement. Okay. But I can
Okay.
showcase which project I have done. This is my framework which I have done. Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
That's what the secret hack is. Okay. I'll tell you, no, nobody is telling you these things. That's why you don't know. It doesn't mean it is not possible. Prashant. Understood? There are
Mm.
people from career gap who after 3 years, 4 years, they are able to switch to automation. How? Because they have somehow figured it out. Okay.
Mhm.
Awesome. Any other doubt?
No, I'm clear with my all doubts.
Awesome. Also,
Yeah,
I'll see you
thank
in the
you.
live classes then, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Halima Sayyed, yes. Then Vivek, your question next, okay? Yes, Halima
Hi,
Sayyed.
I
Hi.
am from
Yes.
the United States. I have
Okay.
like 2 or 3 questions. One
Go
is
on.
that you mentioned that because I'm very intrigued with the live classes. You said it's going to
Mhm.
be every Tuesday and Thursday.
Right.
So if I
And
do
Saturday.
enroll, yeah, if I
Yes.
do enroll, I would
Hmm.
be managing my time for the live classes, but is it possible that I
Okay.
get the previous recorded classes
Yes, you
beforehand
will know.
so I
Yes,
can
yes.
like continue with that?
Yes. Automatically, when you join it today, right, you will be getting the lifetime or previous batch recordings. So just now I've
Uh-huh.
shown you, right? So when you
Yeah.
join it today, automatically you will see a previous batch recording which is added to you that you can start watching. Okay.
Okay.
As well as
And
yes, go on. Go on.
it's okay, you can continue.
No, I'm saying as well as you will be getting the bonus courses automatically that you want to see. You can start with this. I have in the SDET.club, I have given you one video how to start the course, which one roadmap we have to follow. All the strategies also you will be getting it. And if
Yeah.
you want to join the live class also, whenever you have a time on TTS time, whenever you have a time, IST time, you can join the Zoom call. It will be a live class. You will be getting notification automatically. You can join and see the live class also. Okay.
Okay. And my
Make sense?
second question is
Yes.
this is from because a friend of mine who is basically a bit
Hmm.
older in age
Hmm.
who has no IT background in anything because
Okay.
I was on the call, I was telling her about the course as well.
But
Like she has no degree or anything regarding with IT. If she can start learning like automation testing with joining your course or YouTube videos or your YouTube videos, is it possible for her to like get a job? Or does it need some sort of bachelor degree?
see, it doesn't. In USA, you already have seen, right? There are so many types of boot camp. So consider this as
Yeah.
a 4-month boot camp.
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
So I remember there was a person from USA and he was from Canada, I think so. And he was a waiter. Okay. So
yeah.
in the last year, 2011 batch, he was,
Yeah.
sorry, 11, not 11, 2021 batch. He was there and he was able to become an automation tester. So I think so it is 100, I think maximum it is possible. Okay. For
Yeah.
you guys, it is just an, if you have a knowledge, right? I think many startups and they will directly hire you and you can check it
Yeah.
out with the profile. So, okay.
Yeah.
So generally, this you can consider this as a 4-month boot camp of software testing. We'll give you a certification also, so you can start applying and do it. Okay, so this is what I have seen. I'm just giving you those scenario testimonial you can see. Okay,
The
so
reason
yeah,
I want to join this format is because you said that it has you guys do a lot of live projects regarding other
yes.
boot camps here in the US. They don't give a lot of live projects. So just because I kind of forgot, how many live projects would you guys be doing?
See, generally, for API testing, we have 2 live projects. For web automation,
Okay.
also we have 2 projects, and we will upload them into a repository also. If you see GitHub live projects, right here, if you go to my repository, you will find the previous batches live projects also if you want to see. So
Okay.
this is the repository link and automation 5x batch. You will find there are previous batches, for example, 4x batch, right? These are
Okay.
the projects that we have already done for 4x batch,
Yeah.
5x batch. You will be like 6x batch, which will be okay.
Okay.
So
Thank you
you
so
will be
much.
uploading. Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No worries, no worries. Weekly 2 classes? No, it is TTS. So it is 3 classes, right? Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 7:30 to 8:30, 8:30, and then we have on Saturday we have 2 hours of class, 7 to 9. Okay, Asha, I hope this makes sense. It is very friendly for US people, UK people. Right? It's a very friendly time for US, UK people, especially. Okay, and Indian people also. It's morning time. You are learning, and after that you can continue your work. Right? What do you think, guys? Yes, yes, Shrujan. I think your question is done, right? Yes. Rahul Shah. Yes, your question
Yes,
next.
sir.
Okay. Shurjan, you are done, right? Okay, awesome. Rahul Shah, please go on. Weekly 3 classes, no, Asha, that we have discussed. Okay, let me give you the timing again, guys. So timing is this, okay? Just to let you know, this is the timings. Okay, this is in IST time. I think you can convert in your US or your UK time, whatever it is. And one more thing which I want to highlight is, guys, testimonials. If you want to know, there are more than 200 plus testimonials where people are from non-IT background. As a fresher, if you see, Gaurav was from a non-IT background. He joined the course. He become very confident and upcoming the skill. He already got a job. There are people who already got a job, if you want to hear. So Ramakrishna, he already got a job in Manwar. He's from last to last batch. So you can see there are other people who have given the testimonials also. This is not me who have created, okay? So automatically, if you submit a good testimonial, it will be automatically added here, okay? So many people have already done it, okay? That just to let you know, this is not a new thing. I'm doing from 2009, 17 almost, okay? 19, we have started doing more and live classes. Okay. Rahul Shah, you are done? Go on, Rahul Shah. Okay. Pooja, your question, please. Yes. Pooja Gatwai. Please go on.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes.
Actually, my question was little in sync with Charan.
Hmm.
I have manual testing experience of around
Okay.
7.5 to 8 years.
Hmm,
Later to that, I took a sabbatical for 10 years. And now I want to resume, but only manual will not help, as you said. So I would require to enhance my skills with automation also. So
Right.
is it
Absolutely.
will that work for me in my case?
You have 10 years. Which location? Which location you are?
Currently, I'm in Bangalore, but then I will be shifting to Pune in April. So
Okay.
yeah.
So you are in metro cities, right? But you
Yes.
can target for good product-based company, right?
Yes.
And as well as startups also, right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So see, of course, the gap is huge, which is 10
Yeah.
years, right?
Yeah.
I think you can justify your gap with the knowledge, because the learning that we are doing here, right? It will give you a knowledge of 4 to 5 years easily, because you are creating API framework and Selenium framework.
Okay.
Fine.
Hmm.
So somehow we need to manage, because I remember there are a couple of people who have 7 years experience, 8 years experience, 8 years of gap, sorry, I meant to say, and they are able to manage. Okay. That I cannot basically tell publicly, but it is possible, Pooja. And I have
Okay.
seen it, many people doing it, but you have to learn, give time, learn 1 hour per day, take the live classes, do the assignments, do the
Yes.
quizzes, and follow rigorously the path. And you have to showcase in the projects or in an interview that yes, it is possible. Okay.
Yeah, because my earlier experience was in very good companies like HSBC,
Right.
TCS, Oracle.
Right.
So with that experience, but then because of this sabbatical, it is little difficult now for
Right.
me to get into a proper this thing, and only manual will not help. That I understood.
Right.
Yeah.
That you already understood is fine. Absolutely 100% correct. Guys, for US, it is $150. Okay. Couple of people are saying, sir, it is for US people because of purchasing priority. US people, it is $150. And for Indian student, it is 9999. But it is also going to increase if you don't join it before 12. Okay. So this is the old pricing plus 2 extra bonuses that I have added, because all of you right now are with me for 2 hours. How many of you are, I consider all of you as a people who are fighters. How many of you are fighter? Give me F in the chat. You are still with me, struggling, yes or no? And I really like the serious people, okay, who are fighter. Give me F in the chat, okay? Let's be more interactive, okay? Good. Awesome. You guys are really fighters, okay? I'll tell you, because see, you will be also getting the result. You are the people who get result because you are serious, you are understood the value, you understood the roadmap, you understood everything. And I think this is one of the best offer that I can give also. And I really want to help you in this case. Okay. Yes, Pooja, is that clear? Any doubt other than this?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
No worries, Pooja. No. And we will definitely discuss on more master classes. Okay. And
Yeah.
you will be guys, one more important thing. Okay. The people after 4 months also, I will be helping you, because you will be always be a part of SDET.club masterclass. Every Friday we will meet again for doubt sessions, If you have doubt session, career related and everything. If you see Friday masterclasses are open for everyone. So you can anytime join after 4 months also. I will not be leaving you. This is not a course where you will take for 4 months or 3 months and teacher will forget about you. You also forget about teacher, right? No. This is we don't do it in Testing Academy. I will make sure that you get a job. You whatever the difficulties that you are facing. Okay, my resume is not working, Pramod sir. We will do a retrospective. We will try with other community members also how their resume is working and your is not working. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Okay, and one more thing is if you want to connect, if you still have a doubt, guys, you can connect with us on the WhatsApp. How many of you want my WhatsApp number? Okay, since you are already here, how many of you want my WhatsApp number? Okay, if you have any doubt, okay, but don't call me. Okay. Don't call me on the night. Okay, clear? This is one promise I want. Okay, pinky promise, all of you, give me pink PP in the chat. Pinky promise, Pramod sir. We will not be calling you on night. Okay, you can WhatsApp me, but okay. So this is the link. Okay, so please, if you have any doubt, any query related to course or anything, right, you can keep asking. Okay, let's take more questions. Okay, Pooja, is that fine? Let's quickly take other questions. There are people who are waiting. Okay, awesome. Yes, who is there? Astitva Arora. Yes, let's take. Surbi, you are next. Okay. Astitva Arora. Where are you? Okay. Allow to talk. Surbi, you can start. Okay. Astiv or Surbi, anyone can start. I think Astitva start.
Yeah,
yes,
hi Pramod, Astit Fair. I just wanted to have a clarification. Firstly, very nice session that you took today, and it was a very good utilization of our time over weekend. The only question I have is why is Python not included? Because as per current scenarios,
both the language I cannot include in 4 months. It will become 6 months. Okay. But I do have one strategy. If you can give me 2 months more, I will introduce Python also, because we also have a Python batches also which are coming, but which again, because if I include everything, right, it will be 6-month course and you will go crazy. I want to see your results. No.
Correct. But I was thinking that if we are given an option of to having Java or Python, so that apart from that, I have no questions on any.
Makes sense. My perspective is this specifically is course for the people who are interested in Java, and I'm pretty much sure you can do it too. The question is, this is important, is only syntax changes, concept remains same. Okay. When your concepts related to API testing and other Selenium will be sorted, right? It is just that syntax change. So it doesn't matter it is Python or Java. Fair enough.
Okay, so but we need to learn Java by putting more effort. So that was thinking that I was thinking that if it should be included in that.
That is not true, to be honest. If you have seen my 30-day plan, right?
Yeah.
If you are able
in
to
Java, I think there are more easier ways to do a project as compared to in Python. It is more easier as compared to Java because the amount of libraries.
It is a controversial topic. It is a controversial topic. Some will say Python is easy. Some will say Java is easy enough. So it depends. Okay. Awesome. Okay, thanks, sir. I have enrolled. Good to see you. Welcome to the Testing Academy, guys. You will be coaching. You will be getting all the resources. Okay, don't worry. Okay, awesome. Let's take more question. Who wants to ask? Raise your question, guys. Sasidharan, right? Sasidharan, your question, please. Kavya, you are next. Surbi, you are also. You can unmute. Okay, Surbi Sharma. Do you want to ask, Surbi? Yes, Sasidharan, go on, please. Yes.
I'm audible, right? Okay. So I'm already working as a manual tester from past 1.5 years. So before that, I have around almost 6 years as a non-IT. I was working in non-IT. So I was about to upskill as an automation tester. So I was looking for whether it's Java with Selenium works good, right?
It works.
And one more query I attended some other webinars like this of other academies. So I have one doubt, like, will you be the mentor for this live classes or anybody else will be taking?
I am the only mentor. Okay, I will be helping you. He's only
because the thing is, like, whenever we attend the class, we will be getting interested. But later, when the class starts,
those are big companies and their mentors are also I don't know about which company you're talking about. Okay. I am
Yeah.
teaching you the things which we are using right now. Okay. I am running an automation framework which is running more than 20,000 test cases daily. So I'm going to teach that. Okay.
Okay.
I hope that
So,
makes sense, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So look, because we will be okay with your communication and your skills, like a teaching skill. So, but
Right.
after some time, if we are getting any other mentor, so we will
No,
lose some interest.
there
So
is
that, yeah.
there is no other mentor in testing again. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
I am
Thank
the
you.
only one who is helping you. See, I am doing it from 2017, guys. This is the
Yeah.
6th batch of automation tester blueprint we are doing. Previously, we had SDET.blueprint batches. Those things, all the batches I have only taken. Okay. And I love to
Okay.
teach, by the way. And I really love to teach. I really see, because when I was a manual tester, no, and there was a couple of institute who used to charge 50,000 rupees for less than around 30% of the course which we are going to cover. And this is that way, that time I was not able to pay. So I thought, let's create a affordable course where people who still have in mind, right, all the manual tester who are stuck right now, they are stuck. Okay. They are not taking the leap of faith. So I think now probably they will take a leap of faith and probably they will see the results in 2024. My target is whoever is right now working, right, or who is right now present in this, follow the roadmap, because what I'm showing you is which other people have done it. We have already shown you the roadmap how to reach there. So now it is just you have to take a leap of faith and do it. I hope that makes sense, right?
Yeah, one more question I have. Like going forward, so can I showcase my that non-IT experience, because I already have like 1.5 years of manual
We will
testing.
discuss on this where you need to share and where we don't have to show. Shashidharan, okay?
Okay.
And whenever you are applying or something, you can have a discussion with me. As did masterclass every Friday. You can join and you can ask this question. Okay, Pramod sir, this is the resume I want to apply. Shall I do it or not? Okay. Okay.
So once we
Those things.
register, we will be getting all the links, right?
Right. So once you register, please wait, because sometimes what happens is because 12 a.m. we close all the what we call sales, right? So generally what we do is after 12, probably you will get all the details. Okay. No, don't worry. If you still have some problems, right, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Don't worry on this. Okay. This is a WhatsApp number also I've shared with you. You can reach out to any time if you want. Okay. And we will be replying you on this. And immediately you will get access. Okay. All the bonuses and everything. Probably Sunday morning you will get it immediately. Okay. Fair enough? Awesome.
Yeah.
Yes, Surbi, please go on. Yes, Surbi, you have your question, right? Yes. Surbi, are you able to do it or not? Yes. Will you share all the spreadsheet and roadmaps, Ankit? Yes. Yes, I will be sharing all the links. Okay. Guys, you can ask on the chat also. I will be replying. Okay. Harita, you have a question, right? Go on, please. We will take the question from Nishi. Nishi Singh Chauhan. Yes, please. Yes, Surbi, please go on.
Can I speak in English? Sir, can I speak
Sorry,
in Hindi?
Speak in basic English. No, I can understand. Don't worry. Don't feel shy. No. Tell me.
Sir, can you repeat the roadmap जो आपने बताया है?
Okay, do you need the roadmap, is it?
हाँ जी sir.
Okay, I'll share with you. Okay, don't worry. You will get it on email. Okay, no worries. Okay.
Okay, thank you sir.
No worries.
वो person which is better. Sir.
Okay, Kavya. Yes, Kavya, you have your question, right? Shikhar is saying, sir, I have currently 4 years of gap. How can I get job after getting this course? 4 years is nothing, no, Sikandar Basha. 4 years you can easily manage, no? What you are doing in career gap? Tell me. What exactly you are doing in the career gap, okay? Those things you need to tell me, okay? Nishi, yes, please go on. Go on. Let me unmute you also, okay?
Okay.
Guys,
Hello.
Yes, Nishi, go on, please.
Yes. Hey, Pramod. So currently I have 4 years of experience in manual testing.
Okay.
But I have a question, like in my organization, what my lead suggested me to learn the JavaScript with Playwright.
JavaScript, okay.
Yes. So I just want to ask this question, like if I go with this course with Java, so will it work for JavaScript as well, or there is any difference between both of them?
Playwright with JavaScript is little different, okay, to be honest. Okay. But what you can see, what you can do is concept remains same. Playwright with
Mhm.
JavaScript is something that we are planning in May. Okay, I'll tell you that is a part
Mm.
of what we call SJ.masterclass. So eventually you will be getting this in the end. Okay, because you are joining SJ.masterclass as a lifetime. Okay, so
Okay.
lifelong learners, right? Yes or no? We are
Hmm.
lifelong learners. So that is my
Yes.
belief is SJ.masterclass is basically created so that we all of are in a umbrella and we will be keep on learning. Does this make sense,
Learning.
Nish? Right?
Right,
So
right.
this is important, right? So what you are getting is 4 months live course plus SJ.masterclass, which will be you will be eventually have a part. So probably in May that I am planning, May first week or second week, I am planning Playwright with JavaScript full course, which you will be
Mhm.
automatically become part of it. Okay. But
Okay, so
hmm,
included in this course as well,
this course is already
or
part of it. This when you become a part of this course, you become a part
Mhm.
of SJ.club also for lifetime. So that is a
Yes.
part of SJ.club. So you will be eventually had the course, right? Clear?
Oh,
For
oh,
example, for you guys, Playwright with Java is automatically added. In the previous batch, Playwright with Java was not included. So we also add more and more content, no, Nishi? Every
Mhm.
year, every time we keep on adding more and more content, right? So
Correct.
those things we, okay?
Okay.
Good,
Thank you
good,
so
good.
much.
Yatish is saying, okay, Yatish, you have a question, right? Yes? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes,
Good, good.
I am following.
Yatish is asking very important question, which is I'm following your videos and how this course is different from the YouTube videos. Yatish, this is the course. This is the question, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is different because you will be learning from me. One, live interaction like me, Yatish. Second, you will be you will be having a mentor who will be with 12 years experience. If you have any doubt, he will be replying you. 24/7 doubt sessions. There are 3,000 other people who can give you job reference. There are other community members who will be replying you. You will be uploading your GitHub repository, which other people are also seeing. Okay, in this case. Now, do you think it is different from YouTube videos? YouTube is one-way communication. Yes or no?
Yes,
Clear?
yes.
So
Yeah, yeah.
all this thing, if you
Yeah,
need
Pramod.
accountability, sir, Pramod sir, I am getting this error. What should I do? Yes or no? So I will be replying how to set up LOR
Yeah.
report, everything, and every doubt session notes. Okay, everything we are going to discuss here. Understood? So I hope this is clear your doubt, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Pramod.
fine. Awesome, Yatish. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll take more questions. Who is there? Upsana, your question, please. Then we'll take Gautami. Okay. Then we will say, who's this? Who's this? Okay. Sainath, we'll take your question also. Okay. Sainath is the person, okay, who said, if you don't reply me, I will drop. Anyways, yeah, Gautami, please.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, 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 please.
Yeah. Actually, I have a year gap of 6 years.
Okay.
So, and now I want to get back to work. Before that, I
Okay.
was working as a manual tester. I have a 1.5
Okay.
year of experience. So now
Okay.
I
That's a
want
good
to.
thing, no? I think that's a good thing. You already have a manual testing experience, right? And
But
what exactly you have done in your career gap? What exactly you have done?
I actually got married and I had to quit my job and then I had a baby. Now I'm a mother. He is actually 4. So now I just want to rebuild my career. So I thought
Okay.
manual testing is a better option since I have some knowledge of, automation testing is the best option since I have uh, some manual testing understanding and all. And previous whatever what I worked was actually manual testing itself, but my position there was a quality and business analyst. In
That
that,
is
I
fine. No, nobody's checking. Nobody's checking. You can say it's a manual testing only. What I would
okay.
recommend is, or whatever the manual testing is there, right? What you should do is, you take a course or something, accelerate your process, do the projects, showcase that I have already done automation for 1.5 years or something. I have a career gap because of because of maternity leave, paternity leave, whatever it is, and this
But
one
it
you need to discuss with the HRs. Okay.
yeah, but it is for 6 years, right? Is that okay?
See, what I recommend is I have seen there is in the last batch there was a person Sonam Okay, she had, I think, 6 to 7 years of gap, and she was able to switch. Only thing is, mostly you need to try with startups first. Directly,
Yeah.
if you go with the MNCs and everything, they will reject your resume because of career gap or something, right? But if you are you from Bengaluru, any metro city or somewhere with me?
Yes, Bangalore.
Then I think you can target startups, right? There are, for example, in MPL, Mobile Premier League, right? Many students last year got into the MPL. They have career gaps and everything. So we have sent the resume from our end also in there, because
And
I know them personally also.
And I would prefer work from home option. Will there be many options for?
There are less number of options, but there are options. Okay, there are companies like Wingify is there, BrowseTech is there, right? Techion is also providing half work from home, hybrid modules and hybrid mode, hybrid mode and everything, right? So we will discuss on this, Gautami. I think that is possible.
Okay, and one more question. Now I'm free actually. So you told the classes will be there for 4 months. It's a 4 months course. So
Live classes,
can I get any other option of completing the course within 2 months with 2 hours
You have
of
a previous recording, no? See, when you join it today, there is an option of previous batch recording, right? I told you. So you can accelerate your progress, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right?
But
So you can accelerate your process.
will it have the same efficiency like the live classes?
It depends.
And will I
It
get
depends.
all
But
the
whenever you
other-
have a doubt, you can ask me, no? On the sj.club is open, always open.
Yeah,
You
and
can
I will
ask me.
get all the other things which you will provide for the live classes, the projects, everything. Live
Projects
project.
and other things remains. Content remains same, no? It is a structured, well-driven course, no? That's why I told
Only
you.
the classes will be recorded, pre-recorded, right?
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so
Awesome.
much. And your class
No.
was very nice, and thank you.
See, it should be helpful, right? I think this is the thing. I'm just on a right path. I think so, where I am helping other people, right? I think so. That's it. That's what I really want. I have seen it, right? Yeah, Upsana, your question, please. Upsana?
Hi, Pramod sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes. Go on,
So sir, I also hold some experience, like 7-8 years of experience in manual testing.
Okay.
And I want to switch my career into automation right now. And I am also facing, I have tried earlier also when I switched, I have given interviews. The kind of, I have seen what's
But do you
happening, that they
think it
are,
is mandatory nowadays to switch to automation, Upsana? Your point of view? Do you think it's a mandatory nowadays? Yes.
it is because anyway, people are hiring only automation people, and you never know that you will be hired for automation, but you will be working for manual. And in case of automation
That
also,
is a separate theory. That is a separate theory. Right. But anyways, what's your question? You have a coding fear, doubt, or anything, right? Is that the case? You tried multiple
yeah.
time and it didn't work, right? Okay. Do you think the
Whenever
roadmap
I have
that I have
switched,
shown
I
you?
have whenever I have switched, I have prepared for, some theoretical questions or some coding questions, and I was able to clear the interviews. But whenever I have joined any company, I did not get much opportunity to work in automation. So
Okay. Then
right
you have
now
targeted wrong companies, to be honest. Okay. But there are many good
because I
companies
am
also.
into service-based companies most of the time. So right now my target is I want to go for some product-based company.
Yes.
So
That we
I
will
want to
try, no?
learn.
That we will discuss.
So I want to learn. Is there any batch going on where I can, straightly move to Java or Selenium part instead of going to manual testing concepts again?
Manual testing concepts, those will be self-paced mostly. Okay. We will start from core Java only from 30th of March. Okay. We will start from the core Java only. Manual testing concepts, refresher, 1 or 2 classes we will do. Those will be enough for you to as a refresher. Okay. So guys, just to let you know, manual testing refresher classes will be there. And there is a huge course which is for the people who are freshers and non-IT. If you're already a manual tester, we will start directly from core Java, API testing, Selenium, and CI/CD part running our framework. This is the core high-level funda, so that we can get a job directly. Upsana, make sense?
Makes sense. Yeah, can I get any, 1 or 2 demo classes where I can see like what is your style of teaching and will it make sense
Okay,
to me?
this is my style of teaching, by the way, same content and doubt sessions. Okay, still I'll share with you. Okay, don't worry, I'll share with you. Okay,
Okay,
but
thank you.
I think you already have seen my sessions, right? Same. Generally, I
I
teach
have
it.
not. I mean, the one session
I'll
based
still
upon
show
I
you
have
also.
joined
Okay,
this. Okay.
no worries, no worries. I'll show you tomorrow class. Okay, I think let's see if what class I have. 1 second.
Yeah, I just want to join anywhere where you are teaching code and people are working on
Like-
Selenium right away. And I just
Makes
want to
sense.
see like what practice that you are throwing and
I
what you
think
are showing.
let
And
me show you 10th month of class. I think this is recent class. 10th month is the recent, right? Yes. Okay. So let me show you. Okay. Okay. So this is I'm teaching, by the way. This is a recording. Okay. Now I am Soto. So this guy will speak. Okay. Yes. Yes. One word, right? Okay. So absolutely. I hope this makes sense, right? Yes. So here I am typing the code. If you see, I hope you can see, right, Upsana? Yes. It will now give me yes in the chat.
yes, I can see.
So we are following the notes and we are typing the code also. Okay, by the way. Okay. We are typing the code. Still it will come automatically. Omkar is saying no. We are using a proper structure of quick start which will help us to do automation. Okay. Fair enough. Can I follow the same process in Eclipse also? Yes, Rashmita. Same process in so we are doing a lot of exercises. Okay. We generally create, this is a script that we are basically creating from scratch. This is one project that I'm showing you how to basically do it in Selenium and everything. Okay. And this is the code. Okay. So proxy and everything where I will be, I'm teaching you in Selenium how to add your proxy and everything. Okay. Does this make sense? Opsana, I think this solves your doubt, right? Okay. Now this guy will shut up. Okay. I hope this is clear, right? Yes. So this is how the batch is. By the way, this batch is now finished. Okay.
Okay. So can I get any recording or only one recording
I'll
will
share.
work? I
I'll
mean,
share with you. No worries. I'll share with you. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. No worries.
okay. I have one more query. Like you have told, see,
Hmm.
live batch will also be recorded, right? Because if in case I missed any class, I
Then
can
how
go
it is
back and
how it is how it is live then? Live batch
no,
is
it
not
will be
recorded.
live. Okay.
Live batch is where I am coming and teaching you live. Recorded is previous batch because same content we have done in previous also. So because couple of people say that, okay, we want previous batches also because couple of concepts we need to do it quickly. For example, web tables, Shadow DOM, SVG elements and other things, right? Those things. So for those people, they can watch the previous recording early if that is required. But in the
So
live
suppose
classes,
I'm.
then tell me, yes.
I was just asking, suppose I'm joining you regularly, but just one class or two class I have missed. So for that, I need to go to recorded sessions, or that's why I was thinking if you are recording sessions also, so we can directly, go to classes which I have missed.
Okay, so let me clarify. First one is you have a previous batch access, which is a recordings already. Okay. Then we will take live classes daily and those are available for you to watch anytime. They will be automatically added here. Do you see automatically added here? Do you see that? Yes, date wise.
Okay, yes.
Automatically. If you miss the class, you can attend the class directly here, coming here. Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, this only I wanted to know. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. No worries. Okay.
And one more query, like you are covering here. Sorry, I just have one more query. So if we are enrolling in this, so we are getting Selenium plus Java along with that Playwright also you're teaching.
Playwright plus Java, yes, we are covering in this case. But that is a self-paced course which will be coming in April end. In the end, okay, those way.
Okay.
And probably I will do it live if possible. If time permits, we will do it live also. Okay, those things. For your batch, I think we will be doing it live. Okay, for next batches, it becomes automatically a self-paced course. Okay.
Okay, so mostly this course will emphasize on Java, API, and Selenium.
Selenium, yes, exactly. Okay, so this is the link, guys. Just sharing the link again. Okay, I hope this is clear, right, Upsana? Fair?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Upasna.
Okay, there was a person who was waiting for Basha, right? Basha. Yes, Basha, please. Sorry for waiting. Sorry for waiting for so long. Okay. Sorry for that.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to ask the questions.
Thank you. Thank you. No worries. Please go on.
Yeah, I am open to ask something to you. Nowadays, I hear some words about testing industries. There are no jobs in testing industries, and those who are completed automation testing courses also they have raised a lot of issues for getting a job nowadays. These are the sentences I hear. So, can I get a clarity about this? Because
I mean,
definitely
what
I
is
want
the
to get a yes, sir. Yes.
definitely want to get what?
Because I definitely want to join your courses because I have to I have to start learning some more manual courses through YouTube channels. With the help of that, I started completing manual courses, tests also. But I can't
Okay.
get any job opportunities.
But do you think this
Yeah,
roadmap that I have showed you is will work, Basha? What do you think? What is the clarity that you
the,
got from this?
the roadmap which you are seeing in that webinar, it's very clear. I'm amazed because I didn't see any YouTube channels or Udemy courses. This much contents.
Because they have not done it. No, I'll tell you why. Because nobody is
Yeah.
sharing because they have not done it themselves. Right now, what I am
Yeah.
teaching you is because I have taken a subset of students. Then all the students become an automation tester. Then we have taken the reverse back and created a roadmap. Understood? That's why I told you, right?
Yeah.
You need to trust it sometimes. Have you trusted the CBSE classes or CBSE books, right? Those books are also created by the people who have already done it, right? Similarly, roadmaps are created by the people who have already done it. That's why it will work, Basha. I hope this is your answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Fair enough.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's take rapid fire. Okay. We'll take rapid fire now. I'm lowering all the hand. Guys, raise your hands. Let's take rapid fire. I will be clearing all of your doubts. Okay. And all the people just give a pat on your back, because right now you are a fighter with me, still with me for after 2.5 hours. You are a fighter. Give a pat on yourself. Okay. Just give me yes in the chat. Okay. Quickly.
Sir, and I have
Awesome.
another question. Can I ask?
Go on.
Yeah. Sir. This course is comprised. My previous background is I'm from copy editor. You asked in chat also, right? So I'm from a copy editor. I completed my college in 2019. After that, I started my career as a copy editor in XYZ company. For past 4 years, I have experience in only copy editor. But I have to switch my career in IT. That's why my goal.
See, Basha, what I would suggest you give it a try, okay? Because I remember the similar question is asked by there was a person who was working in BPO at the okay, in the Forex batch. BPO, you know, right? Calls and everything. So that person was working it. He joined the automation Forex batch right now in one of the startup in Bangalore. He's working. So I have seen those scenarios. That's why I'm telling you, take a leap of faith. Okay, what if it works or not? Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yes, Shrikant, please go on. Okay, quickly we'll take questions. Okay, yes, Shrikant, yes, please go on.
Hello.
Yes, go on.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Yes.
Yeah. So first thing, thanks, Pramod. Actually, I am following since four plus years, and you are the
is it?
yeah. Actually, you are the person who are like taking us serious about the testing. Now, lots of person telling like no scope in the testing. So thanks for that.
See, when I have started my career also, right, 2010 or 11, right, then people also told me testing has no career, and I'm still searching those people. Okay.
That's good. Thank you. So first thing I want to confirm, like I am working as a senior software QA engineer, more than like 8 years of experience, and I have a knowledge about JMeter API testing, API testing, manual web application, lot of things. So
got it.
Yeah. So first thing I want to confirm, like, see, right now I have a offer of 20 LPA, but it's for a manual testing, not for automation. But now I want to become as a full stack QA. So what is the process of this? Should I accept those offer, or I leave that offer and need to read first thing, then I need to switch?
Parallelly, you need to prepare for automation for 4 months. Parallelly, get it a good offer, and whatever the experience that you have, take a course or something in last 3 years or 4 years, showcase that projects that I have done automation, get a good offer. Shrikant, clear? but you have to justify your learnings that I have done the automation framework. I have uploaded on GitHub. This is my frameworks. You can use these frameworks which I have mentioned, which are generic hybrid framework, custom frameworks. Fair enough?
But that's my problem. Actually, I have a like a coding fear, as you have to.
That I will remove, no? That you have to give this coding fear to me, no? Then you have to trust someone, right? Yes or no? Because coding fear, if we follow 30 days of plan, if we do the coding questions, if we do the API automation framework, if we do the Selenium frameworks, right? This has worked for the many students. So you have to give me something, right? Yes or no? So those things, all of your coding fear and everything, right? Give it to me, because I will be taking care of those things. What you need to do is, you just need to be serious for 1 hour per day or 4 to 5 years per week. This is what I want from you, and follow the roadmap rigorously. Trust me, it works. System doesn't fail. Human fail. Understood? You fail. System doesn't fail. These are systems. Yes or no?
Yes, got your point. Thank you. So so one more question, like if I want to purchase your course, but there are no sign up option. So after the payment, where you will send a confirmation message, like who will
automatically payment? We have your email ID and phone number. No, we will send the automation.
No, but
we will send you the details.
On the SDD,
you can
yes. On
you
the
can
SDD, I'm
pick
not able to see.
WhatsApp.
It should
yeah. Acha. You don't see any option. Direct link you don't see, is it?
Yes. Actually, I am clicking. It's taking me to the payment gateway page.
Directly, because after enrolling, when you enter phone number and email ID, right, automatically you will get access to this. Okay. Automatically, this is an automation. I am teaching you automation. This should be automated process, right? Yes.
Okay. So after fill the email ID, you will post all the things in my email ID, right? Or mobile
right
number.
Automatically it will be done. Okay, automatically you will get an email, automatically you will get an access, live email ID, live, whenever live class is there, you will get an access.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so there will be a reminder for you to join. Okay,
yeah, thank you so
fair
much.
Enough? No worries. Sheikh Adil, yes please, your question please, go on. Sheikh Adil. Akash, yes, you're next. Okay, Sheikh Adil, please go on. Akash, you are next then. Okay, and who else? Go on. I can see. Vidya is saying, sir, completed MC in 2011, 1 year experience, .NET, 8 years experience, career gap, want to resume automation, pre-board suggestions. Vidya, I would suggest you, whatever the career gap that you have for 8 years or 6 years, right? You have to manage your career gap. Okay, just showcase in a such a way that, okay, 4 years you have done automation. I am pretty much sure you can do it, Vidya. So we'll discuss on this matter, but it can be done. I think so. Okay, so that's what we are to discuss. Sir, I got a confirmation and excited to join the course. Nihar is saying, good. Awesome. Akash, go on, please. Unmute and ask. Then we'll take more question. Okay, who's there? Shikha is there, right? Shikha,
Hello.
go on. Yes, please go on. Who's this?
Sir, Akash.
Yeah, Akash, please go on.
Sir, actually, I have too many questions. Firstly,
go on one by one. Yes.
After 10th, my all studies is from open or distance.
Okay.
And I have 7 years experience in desktop support engineer. But
okay.
From last, actually, I see there is no growth in this, and I am stuck in some fixed salary criteria.
Okay, so what do you think? What do you think? Where you want to apply as a software tester? You are thinking in future?
Yes, but actually, my question is, as I already told you, after 10th, all my studies is from open or distance education.
But in startup, it doesn't matter. No, there are many startups like MPL, Mobile Premier League, and everywhere many people have joined. I think.
So the thing is, if you have skills, you get job, right?
Yes, but it is difficult. It is not that easy, to be honest. Okay. It is difficult also, Akash, side by side. Story is two-way, not a single way. Okay, so it will be double of your efforts, double you need to try, a lot of connections and everything. Okay, so we will discuss. Let's do one thing. No, you have my WhatsApp, right? We'll discuss more. Okay, you just ping me on this.
Okay,
we'll discuss on this. Okay, no worries. Shikha, yes.
Thank you.
Your question. Yes, Shikha, please go on. Shikha, you can unmute and ask. Okay.
Okay, sir. Hello.
Go on, please. Yes.
Sir, I am passed out 2008 with Master of Computer Management degree, and so more career gap. Can I do this, become a software tester? And sir, I have done manual tester course only. Should
Okay.
do this course to me. And sir, just housewife running time.
Okay. Okay, got it. See, again, my recommendation for you is give it a try. But still, I would request you to ping me on WhatsApp. We will discuss more this. Okay, Shika, make sense?
Okay. Sir,
But
one
it can be done.
question.
It can be done. It can be done. Many people do it. Okay. If you read the testimonials also, right? There are many people like you who have discussed this. Okay.
Okay. Sir, one
Right.
question. Sir, English language is matlab, should
Is
be
required,
fluent
yes.
for
Not
fluent
fluent,
English,
good, decent enough. Decent enough, it's fine.
because
Yeah, you can improve.
English
No.
fear.
See, English fear is there, but I think you can improve. Okay. You can improve. You will be able to improve it. Okay. We'll discuss on WhatsApp. Okay. Let's see. Fair enough. Awesome. We'll take more question. Okay. Who is this? Vrishali. Right. Vrishali, please unmute and ask. Rama Devi, we'll take your question. Goga Siva. Siva will take your question also. Vrishali, please go on.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Rishali. So I have experience as a manual tester.
Okay.
So I have some questions. So first of all, data structure is mandatory for the automation testing.
Limited array, string, array list, linked list related to some of the concepts related to what we call basic things which we have mentioned in 30-day plan, right? Those things are required. Okay, Vrishali.
Okay.
Fair?
Yeah, fair.
There are advanced concepts like tries and everything which are not required. Okay. Go on.
Okay. Are you providing the notes as well?
Notes, yes. We have a lot of notes, by the way. Okay. For Java notes also we have. Let me show you also if you want to see. Just now I think I have shown you, right? Java notes are there.
Yeah.
Selenium notes are there. API notes are there, right? So all of them. So this is a note that we are going to follow, guys, in class. This is a notes which is a rectified version, by the way. Okay. So it contains all the interview questions also. Selenium also we will going to cover. So Selenium contains all the advanced concept like web tables, SVG element, checkboxes, action classes, right? How to handle dynamic elements, weights, framework knowledge, and everything we have covered here in the Selenium. Okay, those things we will follow this properly. Okay, it is getting loaded still, but it's a huge document. How to run your Selenium Grid on AWS, Docker, Jenkins, and everything, right? We have discussed Selenium architecture and everything. You will find the notes also. And I'll share the notes also, Log4j, Jenkins, and how to run it on AWS also, all these things.
Okay. So I have another question is there. So how much weightage are you giving the Java programming in automation testing? So how much is mandatory about the Java programming?
See, core concept is important, no? Core Java plus OOPS and collection framework is important. That's it.
Yeah, but sometimes
Apart
we are
from
using
this
JavaScript. Sometimes we are using the JavaScripts as well. So
that is JavaScript executor in Selenium, you are asking, is it?
Yeah.
That is a concept of Selenium, okay? That is in Java only, by the way.
Okay.
But anyways, JavaScript basics we will discuss in Masterclass. We have already session for this. Don't worry, this program is, guys, full 360-degree QA. Okay, full 360-degree QA. All the concepts are basically we are adding, okay? So trust me, you are in good hands, okay? Kushbu, go on, please.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
your question. No worries. Yes, Kushbu, go on, please. Shubhanshu Singh. Yes, Sainath, you are waiting for a long time, right? Sainath, go on, please. Yes, now.
Hi, Pramod. How are you?
Yes.
Actually, nothing much. I already registered to the course.
Good.
So
Awesome. Tell me, yes.
Whether we are learning SQL as well in the live sections?
Sorry, what? Your what?
We are learning SQL as well in the live sections.
SQL as a bonus, as a self-paced course, you will be getting it. In the live session, if you have any question, you can ask me doubts. But generally what I have done is that I have added a SQL course for you. Okay, it is already added as a bonus. You don't have to pay. And it contains, I think, 3 to 4 hours of content, practically with 2 live projects. How to work with SQL masterclasses.
Yeah, I got an email
And
about
notes
that.
also. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I got an email, and what my friend suggested was he is a team lead in automation testing, and he is working with API with C# and SQL. What he suggested was to learn SQL, C#, and I think the syntax will be different. That's it, right?
C#
Compared to
only
Java
syntax will
and
be different.
C#.
Concept remains same.
Yeah, I was working as a desktop support engineer, so.
See, I have seen desktop support engineer, tech support engineer, only support engineers, game support engineer, game testers, and scrum masters, normal support engineers, right? In my previous batches, there are hundreds of people who have converted to automation.
Yeah.
And don't
I
trust my
learned
words.
by
Okay,
month.
do one thing,
Yeah.
go to this link and check it out from your end. Okay, there are people from known IT and other people who have basically gone through this course.
Yeah.
Roadmap.
I am sure you will teach me well, but
Right.
just to know, like I already I learned some manual testing by myself, and I joined in a company. So I'm working as a manual tester now.
That's fine. That's a
application
good thing.
support and
That's a
all
good
those
thing.
stuff.
But
Yeah.
what I will recommend is if you want to apply for a new job, right? Add some automation experience by getting knowledge, right? Those things we will be doing.
Yeah. I
Quickly
already
over time.
enrolled in the course, so
That
I
is
want
fine.
to learn actually. Yeah.
No worries. Hari, yes, please. Let's take a rapid fire, okay? Guys, you guys are fighter. Let's take all the questions, okay? I will be taking all the questions. So until you guys are remaining, okay? Anyone remaining? Anyone still wants to ask? Just say I in the chat. Okay, I'll bring you to hot seat right now. Okay. Quickly, yes.
Yeah.
We'll take
Yeah. Hi,
all.
Pramod.
Yes. Yes, Hari. Please go on.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
lot of
document links will be shared, right? So whatever you
Yes.
show in the session today, the
I will be,
checklist
I will.
documents.
Yes.
Okay.
Shakti
Thank you so much.
Balan, yes, you are next. Okay. C. Chandra, after you are next. Okay. Shakti Balan, your question?
Hello, Pramod. First
Yes.
of all, thanks so much for your wonderful session. I have
Awesome,
10 years of experience in IT industry as a developer.
Okay.
I belongs to OpenEdge for ABL. It's a technology name. It's a what to say? It's an old technology. So currently, I'm looking for a career shift into automation testing.
Okay.
My current CTC is 17.4 lakhs per annum. And my last working day with my present employer is going to reach by I am already serving notice period. It is about to end by April 23.
Okay. So you want to learn automation to start, right? Is it?
Yes. So what after 4 months, like I'm ready to put all the efforts and showcase my prior experience to certain extent, somewhere around between 3 to 4 years into automation testing. And accordingly, I can work on additional projects. I can showcase it in resume as well as in GitHub.
Right.
And what on an average, like what would be the minimum package I can expect from my current package? Because
What was your
as
total
an
experience?
experienced guy,
What was your total experience?
9 years and 8 months exactly.
Okay. I think you should be getting around 25 to 30. This is minimum which I recommend in a good product based company.
That's my next question. If as you already mentioned, if I'm going to set the good product based company as my target, because I'm already good with programming in the sense like technically,
And
like
it's a good thing,
I
get an
I
automation
never
target for good automation company, na? That's it.
Yeah, to be frank, I never worked in Java, but I have good hands-on in my whatever the language I told. That's my primary language, as well
Then
as in
Java will be
Python.
easy for you. No?
And also, I recently learned Python with data science, so I'm good at Python as well. That's the reason.
Yes. See, that is a plus point here you have. Now you have to just do live projects.
Okay.
And start applying.
Okay.
And,
So to be very frank, I'm asking like I'm ready to put all the efforts and dedication, because after April 23, if I didn't get job, I have almost the entire day. I'm ready to put all the efforts. The only thing is I am completely trusting you people. The only thing is I need to see the fruitful result after the ample amount of time.
Don't trust the people, trust the system. System is something which is important. You
My-
have
my-
seen the system
Yes,
which works for other people, right?
Because
Yes or no?
my story is somewhat different, right? Because you never seen
It is not different. I'll tell you what. This is exactly every person. If you see, I'll share you my couple of webinar also, right? You will see the same kind of questions.
Okay,
This is
so
not new. This
okay,
is not
okay.
new. It is, you think in your mindset you have, oh, I have a different story and blah, blah, blah. No. Same story I have heard hundreds of times. There are people who have 8 years of gap, 8 years in manual testing, 8 years in game testing, 8 year with gap, something they have done, desktop testers, something. And they are able to switch to automation by doing this, right? So I am pretty much sure you will be able to do it too. Okay. It is your mind who is playing with you, to be honest, right now. Just that.
Okay, Pramod. Okay, okay, okay.
And remember, I'll give you one major principle in your life.
Okay.
Remember this, and I also took it, which is take a leap of faith. What if it works? Okay.
Okay. Sure, sure,
What
sure.
if it doesn't work? Then you will move back to same place, isn't it? Then we'll meet again.
Oh,
Fair
okay,
enough.
Pramod. Yeah, sure.
So, what if it
Okay.
doesn't work? No worries. You will be at the same position. No.
Yeah. So
This is
as
how I have done it.
okay, okay. So as you mentioned, I already contacted the same thing with discussed the same thing with Sohail
Ah,
via WhatsApp.
right. Good. You are already connected with Soil, right?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Anyhow, we will meet soon in live class.
Sure. We'll see you. Huh? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Chandrika, your question,
Thank
please.
you.
Yes. Yes, Chandrika, please.
Hi, hi.
Yes,
Hello.
please. Yes, go
Yes,
on.
actually, I am working in TCS and I have 4 years of experience in manual testing. So
Okay.
the main drawback is we have 90 days notice period, okay? And
Right.
I am getting calls. But all they want is immediate joiner. So how to deal with this case and how will I justify my automation testing experience since I have only manual testing experience?
Okay. So how you will justify your experience? Let's answer first. With you, what you will do is you take a course. I am just saying, take any kind of knowledge within a span. Whatever the project that you have worked with some TCS projects, right? Try to automate them. Right now, you probably suppose you don't have, but concept remains same, right? They will be a SaaS application, a normal web application, right? Where you have worked on, probably in client, right? So when you create your frameworks, API frameworks and Selenium, you can showcase these things to your next wherever you are applying. Can you do that or not? All people do it.
Yes.
The only
Yes.
thing is you have to justify the knowledge. Knowledge you will be eventually getting when we are basically doing practically. I will tell you to upload your framework on GitHub. I will tell you to upload your API testing framework. I will tell you to upload your projects. Then you will automatically will have knowledge, right? So that's how you will answer those questions.
Okay.
And what I recommend also is whatever the manual testing you have done, showcase like 2.5 years or something. I have done automation also. They can't verify. Trust me. They can't verify that you have not done automation. Okay. They can only verify if you don't give answer. What is the Selenium? How you have your Selenium? What is your framework? How you have graded framework? If you are not able to give the answer, they will assume it is not that you have not done. Make sense? But you will be able to give the answer because you have a knowledge after 4 months and something, right? Make sense? Second question was 90 days of notice period, right? When I was in Accenture, it was same for me. What I have done was I told them I have some medical issues. Then I had a good relationship with HR or something. I was able to manage it for 30 days. But there are many students who are not able to do it. I think for your case also, it will be very difficult. So what you can do is talk to the next employer. There are people who can wait for some 45 days or something. Renegotiate if they can buy back. There is an option of buyback of days. Try that. I have tried in second company. BrowserStack had bought my previous previous company, right? They generally pay some amount. It is possible. So have you seen my video where I have discussed this, the 3 or 4 ways how you can tackle 90 days of topic? Have you seen my video? No?
No, not
I
yet.
hope so. No. Okay, I will share with you. Okay. So if you go to Testing Academy channel, right, just go to there. But it will be difficult, but there are companies who can wait. Okay. So your existing company will not wait. Please understand. TCS will not wait, but your next company can wait.
Okay.
So you have to convince. This is the truth. This is the bitter truth that I'm telling you. Okay. I hope this answers your query. Okay.
Thank you.
But there
Thank
are
you.
companies who can wait. Okay. There are companies who can wait. Yes, Siva. I'll see you in classes. Okay. We will discuss. Don't worry. Is there master classes? We will discuss more. Chandrika, we will try to answer. There are companies who can wait. You have to just navigate or discuss with the HRs. Have a good conversation with them. They understand these things. Okay. So I'll tell you, I will teach you, I'll help you. We will discuss more things, how it can be done. Fair enough?
Okay. Thank you.
No worries, Chandrika. No worries. Okay. Yes, who was it? Shiva, right? Shiva, go on, please. You're next. Yes, Shiva, go on, please. Okay, Rama. Rama Devi, yes. Now, next question, please.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So I have total 8+ years of experience in manual testing. So my
Okay.
only doubt is like, see, most of the people are talking about Tosca and Selenium. So basically, whenever I reach to the people who are working in their respective automation tools, so I get the same response saying like, okay, this is the better tool and this is the better tool. So as a manual tester, I'm not in a position to decide which is the best tool for me and which will work, better to opt actually. So that was my
I'll tell
major
you. I'll tell you
concern.
very scenario. Okay, very important scenario. There was a one student who learned Tosca, and after that he was struggling to get a new job because the new job is not demanding Tosca. Okay, so these kind of tools are really scary to me. Okay, this is my personal view. I'm telling you, what you need to learn is core web automation and API testing, which should be your base. Tools like Tosca, tools like Catalan Studio, tools like some ML related tools which are coming, right? Those are extra tools that you can learn. But core automation you need to learn. Yes or no? Yes or no, Rama? Rama, right? Rama was it? Is it? Or Dipanshi?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's
Rama
Rama.
only.
Yeah.
Right. You got the idea what I'm trying to say, right? Base
Yes.
core automation you need to learn. After that, you can add Tosca and something, right? But what manual tester make mistake is they jump to Tosca. And trust me, after 1 year or 2 years, you will find very less number of companies who are using Tosca. Then what you will do? Then you will again in the same loop. Promoter, should I learn Selenium or not? Yes.
Yeah.
And this is, I am seeing from the people who said to me, sir, I have a 4 years now. Should I learn Tosca or some other tool? Then they have learned that tool. They wasted their 2 years or everything. Core automation is gone. After 8 years or 10 years, they come back to me. Pramod, sir, please teach us automation now.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got
Okay,
it. Because
so please,
the
this
people
is
who
my
are working with,
recommendation.
yeah. Because a few of the projects, Diamond Client projects, they are actually giving a specific, sort of
Right.
boot camp.
It belongs to very specific companies. For example, Tosca is not used by BrowserTech, not used by Techion, not used by Wingify. No, very rare people, companies are using it. And there is one girl I remember in previous batch. I told you the story, right? She said, okay, sir, I'm very much comfortable in Tosca, but right now, whenever I search 10 jobs, I rarely find one job related to Tosca. So what should I do? I told him, learn core automation now. You have to target maximum where, for example, if you have to target where all the fishes are available, right? If there is only one fish, then it will be difficult to catch, right? Yes, Rama.
Yeah, agree, sir.
You have to go to a pool where everyone is going with web automation, API testing. Okay, I'll tell you my story. I was a manual tester. Then I have basically done web automation. Then somebody gave me an offer for mobile testing. I was a mobile tester. Then they have given me some offer related to performance. Then I become performance. Again, move back to web automation. Again, there was an option of mobile testing. Then again, move back to web automation. Understood? This was my story of 12 years almost.
Exactly. The same confusion was there for me actually. Yeah.
Don't stick to one tool. You learn that tool, but core automation is something that you need to add. If I don't get any job in Tosca, I'll get a job in web automation somewhere else or mobile testing somewhere else. This is it.
Oh,
fair?
okay. Yeah. And also, so Cucumber will be covered by any chance in this
Cucumber
course?
is covered. Cucumber BDD we are covering in we are covering in this case. Sorry, in Rest Assured as well as in Selenium also we are covering. Okay.
Oh,
all right.
Yeah. Thanks, sir. Yeah.
Okay, Atish Baji, or is it? Atish will ask, yes, your question is next, then Dipanshi, you are next, okay? Atish, you are done?
Hello.
Yes.
Audible?
Yes, you are audible, yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you for this guidance.
Yes.
I'm engineering student, sir. I have graduated in 2022 in computer science.
Okay. Good,
and
good, okay.
I have done my automation testing course also, sir. I've done.
Awesome.
Yes. I learned Selenium, but the thing is, they didn't give me the calls. In 2 months, I hardly get one call for manual testing, and I got only two, 3 calls, but I was not prepared at that time. And recently, I joined as a game tester, but I really no interest in that job. So
Okay.
I'm seeing what I'm
Okay.
seeing is
Probably it was not a good product-based company. It was the question, right? Yes, Vilas.
what I'm
Yes.
seeing is everyone here is from a
Hmm.
background like they are manual testers. I don't see the freshers. So how
Hmm.
this course or this community helped me to
There are a lot of
get
freshers.
job
Asha,
as a
you don't
fresher?
see it. It means it doesn't mean.
Okay.
There are a lot of freshers. Okay. Many freshers have already joined. I can see all
So
the chat.
my
Okay.
question is, sir,
Hmm.
does any means you give any referral or really
Referrals, yes. Referrals, we generally share it on sdet.club. There are many people on sdet.club which we try. We
as a
don't give
fresher
calls.
I'm
Calls or
searching.
something that we don't give. But what I do is whenever I have for example, recently there was one company who was my friend's company, right? They were basically telling us to give us at least 10 freshers or something. They generally we share the resume. And those are good companies. I generally verify them, right? But don't expect those things. This course is related to more into live projects and knowledge. When you have those, you will automatically get a call, Atish. This is what our target is. Fair enough? Make sense? Okay. So this is a course which will basically create a good backbone for you with live projects, and you will see a good community of almost 3,301 users who will be helping you to get a job referral and everything, right? For example, if somebody is asking, I think there is one or two openings today only somebody shared, right? So I will connect with you. Okay, please send your HR, send your resume and everything and all. Okay. For example, Hyderabad we have, right? So Srinivas just said Hyderabad we have a opening. Devron have a opening in Gurgaon. Which location you are from?
I'm from Pune, sir.
Pune only. Okay, I think Pune probably you will find somewhere. Okay, just
But I'm
scroll up or
searching
something.
for Pan India, sir.
Pan India, I think Pune is there, right? I think they are doing for 4+ year. Then you can ignore. Okay. Somebody else, somewhere you will find. Okay, Zeta is hiring, so you can see other people are also adding jobs and everything, right? Yes. So you
Yes.
can keep good. So this is a good community and people are getting jobs. If you want to know, here is the testimonials you can see. Fair enough. Atish.
Yes.
Awesome.
Thank
Let me share the link again, guys. This is the link. Okay. Let's talk a couple of questions. Okay. Dipanshi, you are remaining, right? Yes. Go on, please. Dipanshi, then we have Nikhil. Okay. Dipanshi, you are done?
Hi, Pramod.
Yes. Go on, please.
Pramod, I did my BTech. I passed out in 2021. After that, I joined a service-based company, a very popular service-based company. And for more than 1.5 years, I was on bench. Then I got into some project, KT sessions happened, then they switched me to another project. So right now I'm in a project where I have been assigned as a backend engineer working on Java and Spring Boot, where I am just taking up things, just learning things. So Mike, I know you are there as a automation tester mentor and you are teaching that, but my question is a little bit different. What I want to ask is, should I go towards Java and Spring Boot? I should learn that and become a developer because as an engineer, we have been told that you have to be a developer and developers get so many jobs. If we open LinkedIn, there are so many openings for developer as compared to testers. Also, salary. What we have been given idea is developers get more salary. Developers have more number of jobs. So should I go towards
That is,
Java and
see, that is, I'll tell you very simple answer. Okay.
yeah,
You already have your answer in your mind. I'll tell you.
I'll forget it. So please let me complete. Yeah.
Okay. You
So
complete.
this one thing, shall I go towards this, or I shall go towards your? I recently saw your ad on Instagram, so I just registered myself because I became way too comfortable in my job, and now I see I don't have a growth, I don't have money increase, so I just want to switch and earn something better. Also, I don't want a very hectic thing that I have to code every day. I have to put lot of
Then you have
mind.
your answer, no? Then you have your answers. Okay, I'll tell you the answers. Okay. So automation. Okay. Normal. Okay, coding. Learn frameworks. Do the work. Automate and work-life balance. Good. Spring Boot. I'll tell you, my friend is Java with Spring Boot. By the way, I am also working with Spring Boot. Hectic. Seen people crying. sometimes good salary, but it is also, as an automation tester also, you can get a good salary. Fine. Work-life balance, little scary sometimes. That's it. So choose wisely which one. You already have your answer in your mind, okay, Dipanshi? To be honest, which one you want to go? Okay.
Just
I'll tell you.
can you solve my this question also, that about the number of jobs that are available for testers and the salary package as compared to developers?
Okay, tell me what is the salary? How much experience you have, Dipanshi, right now?
I am. It is 2.5.
2.5 years. Okay. What is the salary, if you don't mind?
It's 4.
4, right? As a developer, you are getting 4. And let me tell you, Yashwant, I don't know if you know this, or yesterday he has taken the session. Okay, he will be helping you also. He has 2.5 years experience and almost, I'll tell you, around, I would say it is 30 nanos. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So what do you think?
Did you say 39 LPA?
30 nanos, I would say 30 nanos per year he can buy. I hope
30
you got the
nano.
idea what I'm trying to say, right? You got the idea, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
actually, my level developers, the reason I have low salaries because I didn't switch. I joined at 3.5 or something. I hope you know which company I belong to. But people of my experience are even getting more. But it's just I don't want I just want that I have ample of opportunities and a good money in hand.
I'll tell you from my perspective, okay? If you target good product-based companies, I have seen 2.5 years, 4 years of people getting 25, 30, 35, 40 packages, okay? And let me tell you, I have 30 plus automation testers, okay? Okay, let's do one thing. Let me pause the recording for 1 minute, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Understood?
Thank you for answering honestly.
See, this is what I'm telling you. It is not the point of which one is good. Which one is good? Okay. It is the question where I'm comfortable, Dipanshi. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But I have seen my friend who is a DevOps engineer. Okay. He right now is working as a DevOps engineer, almost same level, getting almost same salary and all. But I have seen him very hectic and everything and all, right? So I can only tell you from automation perspective, very work-life balance I have seen, normal things and challenges also. This is what I can recommend. Rest you can research from your end. Okay. Fair enough?
Okay. Yeah, just one more doubt. Currently, like, if do we have to initially if, we are opting EMIs, what is the minimum amount we have to submit? Like, I have currently some, like before 12 o'clock, if I have to register, I have to pay. So
I
that
think connect with this WhatsApp now. They will tell you.
Okay.
There's a team. Their team will tell you on this case. Okay. Khushbu,
Okay.
you're next. Yes,
Thanks, Pramod.
Khushbu. I know. No worries, Dipanshi. Khushbu, you waited for long, right? Yes. Sorry for that.
It's okay, sir. Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I hope you are doing fantastic also, right? This is your last question and we will then wrap it up, okay?
Sure.
Yes, please go.
Okay. Sir, तो मुझे ये पूछना था actually some companies ask for ISTQB certification. So is it necessary for doing? And
It is, let me answer right now. For Indian people, ISTQB is not, it's kind of optional, guys. Okay. So it's kind of optional.
Okay.
For outside
Okay.
India, it is good to have. You will get a good, what we call calls and everything. I would highly recommend go with ISTQB. In India, if you want to increase your percentage by 1 or 2%, take a ISTQB certification.
Okay. Actually, sir, I am a manual tester with 2 years of experience and resigned last month only. So should I continue with manual testing for some couple of years, or should I continue with the automation course which you have provided?
My recommendation is immediately switch to automation. Learn it as soon as you find a company, switch to automation. Because in 2024 or 25, you will find manual testers crumbling. Okay. Let me tell you, I have a manual testing team also where I am working. But all of them continuously daily come to me and tell me, sir, my manager is telling, go learn automation. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? And I told them, go towards automation, because maximum companies are going to go towards, eventually they will go towards automation and your job will be in scary position. How many of you agree? All the manual tester, give me M in the chat. I think you guys are facing these kind of issues also, right? Manual testers, give me M in the chat.
Yes.
Anyhow, your managers, your QA lead, or your somehow some other people is continuously telling you, right? Yes, learn automation, else your position will be little. See, I'm guys, I'm telling you, no, I'm telling you very truth, which is manual testing jobs really are dying. Okay. And I'm not saying learn from me, learn from anywhere, but just move towards automation. This is my recommendation to all of you. Ankit, Jitendra, Parav, Shweta, Haider, Sumni, Tamina, Tasvi, Pooja, Soumya, Shahid, Anusha. Clear? This is just my recommendation to all of you. Learn from anywhere. Okay. This is just what I have, just a good offer if you want to take it or not. Right. That's it. And I am also searching for serious people also. That's the important thing. Okay, so those things. I hope Khushbu is clear. Second question, go on.
Sir, actually, right now I'm learning Java. So, can you please explain that what is the difference between Java and core Java?
See, Java is this big. I'll tell you what exactly it means. Where is my chat gone? Okay, 1 second. I'm just searching for chat box. Where is the chat box? Okay. Anyways, so my screen is okay now. Now it's fine, right? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay. Java is this big. Java includes for developer also, right? For automation tester, it is this. Understood?
Okay.
So this part contains core Java. Okay.
Okay.
Core Java is something that everyone has to learn. After that, advanced concept like OOPS and collection for an automation engineer we have to learn, plus couple of DSA related things that we have included in 30 days of map. Fair enough?
Fair. Okay, sir.
Fair
Thank you.
enough. But there are things like Spring Boot, EJB. We don't have to learn. Those have no point in automation. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Fair enough. No worries, no worries. Surbhi, you are done, right? Last question. You are done or still remaining some question? Okay. So last time, so guys, EMI option is also there. You can take the EMI option that where discussion is. So testimonials, you guys can check. If you want to connect with us, so sdet.whatsapp, please connect with us if you have any questions. Okay. I hope session was helpful. Yes, I hope your time is not wasted, right? How was it? My question is remaining Raja Lakshmi Singh. I will take your question also. Raja Lakshmi, go on. Awesome. Haider is saying, sir, learned so many things. Yes. Okay. Guys, so what if I tell you a single course where you will learn manual testing, API testing, and web automation? You will have a SDET community with 4,000 plus students, master classes, and 12 years experience to crack multiple interviews. Would it be worth it or not? This is what we are going to cover. Yes, go on, Raja Lakshmi. Yes. Okay. Go on. Raja Lakshmi, please go on. Where are you? Unmute yourself. Okay, now try it now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Hi, Pramod. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for conducting this live session.
Thank you. Thank you.
Currently, I'm working with the MNC company. And I'm currently on bench right now.
Okay.
So I'm little bit confused about the testing profiles since I'm working as a manual tester. But I want to upskill my knowledge and skills also.
It is the best
So
time,
for
no?
that, I'm
Bench is
little
the
bit
best time, no?
confused. Yes.
What is the
Yes, so
confusion?
that's why I'm utilizing this opportunity. My question is related to programming languages between Python and Java. Is it easy between Python or Java?
Okay.
Hello.
Which one you think? Which one you think is will be?
My question is related to because I don't have prior knowledge on these two programming languages.
See, it depends. It's that I'll tell you what is the answer. You already know the answers. First is this thing. Second thing is Python is easy for beginners and Java is little difficult for beginners. But there are more opportunity in Java. That is the most important thing. So take your decision wisely. This is a job. This is a course that we are starting in the Java. And I'm pretty much sure other people from non-IT background, other people from manual testers who have a coding fear, zero knowledge, if they can do it, you can do it too, Lakshmi. Okay. It is possible. So take a leap of faith now. Try out. I am pretty much sure you will be able to do it. Okay. Fair enough.
So that's why, sir, yeah, I'm trusting your words and trusting the system, as you said.
See, trust on yourself. Don't trust me.
Thank you,
Trust on
sir.
yourself. Okay.
Yeah,
Trust on yourself.
yeah, I'm trusting on myself.
Okay. Yes, Surbi, go on, please. Yes. Yeah, Nitesh, go on. So last doubt, Nitesh, you are. Yes, go on, please. Thank you, guys. Do make sure you join it before 12 so that you get 2 bonuses of previous batch as well as the Playwright or Java, which is a self-paced code, which is coming in next month. Right, 30th of March, we will be starting the classes. All the people who have joined, you are awesome. Right, just say I in the chat if you have joined. You are a fighter with me who are still struck with me. Okay, so I'm pretty much sure all of you will become an automation tester. We are on a journey on a 2024. I'm pretty much sure you will be there. Okay, so you are fighter, it means a lot to me. All of you will be getting the access. Okay, if you are facing some issue, payment related issues or anything, right, do reach out to us on WhatsApp. We will try to help you. If tomorrow morning, probably you will be getting all the access. Link to join, I have shown you again. Yes, go on, Nitesh.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm having a few questions. Nowadays, many of our companies want to full stack QA, just like company wants Jmeter, company wants Tosca, ETL. So should I go for with this all tools?
You can know. By the way, Jenkins, JMeter, we already cover in SD.NET Masterclass also. We have already covered. So you can take it, you can leverage this. And we are planning for performance testing for more courses on April or May, probably. So you will see more courses related to SD.NET Masterclass. They will be coming. Okay. So I think mobile testing with JMeter and performance testing of load testing and everything, we have covered JMeter session 1. JMeter session 2, JMeter session 3, and upcoming more sessions will be coming for you. So these are free of course for you when you join it today, right? Automatically you will get access to this.
Okay, my next question is that I have done a basic API testing with Postman, just like a CUD operation, put, patch, delete, and is it sufficient for me or should I go for the more?
More. This is basic. You should learn more about rest assured automation framework creation, how to write test cases in Postman, JSON schema validation, or doing REST API, SOAP UPI automation. All this, you have to add more and more knowledge.
Okay. Because I have searched more on YouTube, but I can't find. So that's
you will
why.
not able to find most of them because not many people are doing it, and the people who are doing it, they are not teaching it.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay.
So that's
My
the point.
next question is that, sir. So any scope for the performance testing in future?
Performance, this I think I have answered, right? Yes. JMeter 3 sessions are already there. Few more are coming. Okay.
Okay.
Few more are coming.
Do I have to update my skill according to each company and study accordingly?
Not each company, but you have to update your skills because sometimes some people are looking for specific tools or something, right? Then you need to take a different approach. But core basics remain same. Web automation, API automation is common across all the companies. Okay.
Okay.
Fair enough. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Thank you for joining. I hope the session was good. Your time is not wasted. The people who have joined, awesome. You are guys are awesome. I'll see you in the live classes, but definitely you will be getting more and more emails from me. Okay. My video is stuck. Is it? What happened? I'm stuck, guys. My camera is stuck. Okay. Thank you for joining. Link I have shared now. The camera dead. Anyways, I'll see you in the next sessions, live sessions. You will be getting all the details. If still you have a doubt, okay, go on and ask on the WhatsApp line. Okay. Roadmap and checklist you will be getting in the emails. I'll see you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Enjoy and stay awesome. Okay. Bye-bye.